Bodega Boys.
All right, everyone, calm down. Calm down.
We're the Wilpon brothers.
All right,
we're here to make an announcement.
Okay, not only are we the waviest brothers in New York City,
The waviest.
okay,
The Silver Surfers.
Uncut Gems was based on us.
That's right.
Listen, we know you Met fans have grievances.
Yes.
Okay, we read your little tweets. You know,
Sometimes.
pathetic. Listen, we're doing our best. We're just two humble small business owners trying to
That's
run
it.
a baseball
That's it.
organization.
We just want to run a baseball club and make
why
you
you
guys
guys
happy.
so
Why
mad?
are you so mad at us?
Come on. We've made nothing but good choices over the last, let's say...
Never. But that's neither here nor there.
Remember when we won in 86?
Remember that?
Come on.
Yeah, come on. Give us some
credit.
slack, you know what I mean?
Remember? Johan Santana, you got your fucking no-hitter.
There you go. You got a no-hitter.
All right?
Enjoy
Still
it.
unhappy. Anyway, we're here to answer the rumors about Steve Cohen, that bitch ass. He doesn't want to buy the great gem that is the Metropolitans.
Well, you know what? When you're a bitch ass motherfucker and you can't handle the pressure of New York City, then you just
There's
float
certain
away.
people that can handle the pressure. Carmelo Anthony, the god.
That's right.
He handled the pressure. Didn't win, but had fire hats.
And that is why we are so happy as brothers.
That's right.
To introduce another.
We found a better owner.
A better Anthony.
He's smart. He's smarter. He already has a new roster pick out.
That's right.
Everyone come together for the new owner of the Mets, Michael Anthony Prosciutto.
Hey, guys. This story franchise. I'm sorry, my guts kind of hurt a little bit. I'm sorry.
Is he a drug addict?
That is a very disrespectful, pejorative term to use. All right? I am not. I simply recreationally use heroin. That is all.
I saw that guy sleeping in the parking lot.
No, well, that was, you see, when you work as hard as I do, I was scouting talent in the parking lot. I saw a kid, he was throwing the rock at a car, and he looked like he had a nice little break on the
He doesn't know anything about baseball. What trades are you going to make?
I know a lot about baseball.
How are you going to fix the Mets?
So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm gonna go and I'm going to trade for the fucking guy there. I'm going to get Bo Jackson. I saw the new Genex commercial. Now his dick is bigger now. So now he's back. He's ready to go. You know? His testosterone levels are up. That's going to be our guy. We're going to hang our hat on Bo Jackson because Bo knows. All right? Now, I'm going to take a break because I just shit my pants. All right? Typically, when you're on opioids, you shit your pants sometimes. I've shit my pants. I'll take questions very quickly before the smell starts to spread. Any questions in the press area? Anybody?
Boo.
All right.
Hey, Mike, I think you might need to get out of here. They're getting a little violent.
All right. Mets fans, please enjoy the next decade of futility. I love you. I will be here to answer absolutely no questions and make mindless moves. I love you. This is episode 189 of the Bodega Boys podcast. Ha ha! I said 2-for-1 sale. Ha ha ha! Do the fucking drop. I'm out of here. Peace, bitch. Ha ha! Just catch a check.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Yo, Michael Anthony.
Episode 189 of the world's most dangerous. Is it the most dangerous podcast? Well, that's what the voice says. That voice,
true,
that Hot 97 voice. Shout out to that. That's the voice of God.
It's the same dude.
Yeah.
It's
It
a
really
shot
is the
to
same. Imagine you get to heaven and God is the guy from the Hot 97.
It's like, yo, what's good? Welcome to heaven, nigga.
Yo.
11 o'clock, ladies free.
You'll never guess who you're about to meet. It's your dead nana.
Oh,
Only
shit.
on Hot 90 God.
God damn.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry, didn't mean to say that.
I guess heaven has a Hot 90. That sounds like a Funkmaster Flex. It's cutting up mad clouds and shit.
It's fucking Jesus behind the turntables.
This is real hip hop.
It's called boss, nigga. You don't know nothing about
This is real clown shit.
Yo, you know what I'm saying?
Tonight we got the Messiah spitting bars.
Oh, shit.
Jesus got his halo tilted. Does Jesus have a halo? Also, that's a fire alternative name for a song.
Yo.
Does Jesus have a halo?
Did Jesus have a halo?
There are kids in cages, but my love for you burns with internal rages. That's right, Frank Ocean, I'm coming for you.
Yeah.
All right? The world needs more dark-skinned singers.
Yo, Frank Ocean could probably sing about anything, and people will be like, "Oh my God, it's genius."
Also, you can just apply it to anything in your life. It could be a relationship, just depression. If you got roaches, it doesn't even matter.
Doesn't even matter.
Yo, episode 189. We're sponsored as always by Cash App. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. As referenced by Roddy Ricch in The Box.
That's right.
Don't let Genius or Ahala tell you differently. The boy knows.
She's starting to name sound. Had the Cash App. You know what I'm saying?
And we're still live. As our days come to an end soon.
From La Leche Studios. You know what I'm
From the
saying?
Jamroom.
So senior year.
We're going to miss it, man.
Yeah.
Senior year, like Saved by the Bell, senior year.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
You know, Kelly Kapowski got titties now.
Yes. Wild, yo.
All right.
We just left.
You know
Just
Zach. You know Zach was finger popping her.
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. In the locker room. In the cafeteria.
He was like, yeah. Go ahead, Bayside. Yeah. She's like, go Tigers.
Yeah.
Go
Oh, my
Tigers.
God. She's like, oh, your fingers are way more athletic than Slater's.
And then Lisa was like, hey, are there any black guys here?
Hey.
And he was like, no, go fuck the nerd.
Yo, how do you have a football team and there's not a single black person on this football team?
That's why they were always losing.
Yo, that team was 0-15 every year.
They were like, damn it, we lost again.
Slater played by. He's like, yo, Slater's like, yo, what the fuck?
Slater technically to them was black. Like, I'm sorry to be this guy. You know, at some point in his time at Bayside, someone either called him the N-word or scribbled N-word on Slater's locker.
What?
You know that. It was probably Zach.
They probably embroidered the shit on the back of his jersey before game day.
Just Zach leaving a noose and shit in his locker.
They made him sit in a different booth at the Max.
They was like, so the team is going to ride on this bus. And
Slater, it's you and Screech.
Slater just got mad, punch a locker. His father was in the army or some shit. He was like, AC? And he was like, yes, Dad.
Yes, Dad. I'm a military kid, Dad. I'm very respectful.
We're talking about Saved by the Bell.
You know what I'm saying?
Most of you watching this are just like, wow, my dad used to watch that.
Yo,
wow,
so
that's
super
crazy,
lit,
bro.
You know what I'm saying? Go look back into it.
That's wild. I didn't grow up with TV. I grew up on with YouTube. They're like, what?
Go look for clips.
I'm like, yo, you know about Saturday morning cartoons? It was like, what?
What is that?
Oh, they was like, oh, yeah. One time the algorithm made it pop up. And I was like, that's wild.
Wow. Yo, did this ever happen to you? I fell asleep watching YouTube the other day, and it came up, and there was a video, and it was stopped, and all the comments were like, yo, I fell asleep, and I woke up to this video.
No.
Like, literally 100 comments in a row. And that shit low-key scared me. I was like, yo, I'm not, like, what? The algorithm is really, like...
Usually what happens when I watch it, it just keeps doing, it's like, oh, you're watching Desus, because I'm not going to lie, I watch our shit, and it just keeps showing you clips of Desus and Mero, and it gets to a point where, and I'm not bugging and I'm not high, it's brand new clips that we don't remember we shot.
Yo, you see what we doing? We ripping this fabric of space and time.
That little thing right there, that was deeper than the last season of Black Mirror.
You know what I'm saying?
Like,
think about it.
People don't even talk about the last season of Black Mirror. The last season of Black Mirror had two black guys fucking each other in a video game. We don't even talk about that.
Not at all.
Because it wasn't done right.
They could have crushed it.
They should have done it. The niggas was playing Call of Duty. Imagine you doing a death match, like an 8-on-8, a 9-on-9 death match. And niggas is like, yo, where two of y'all niggas at?
You just see the two little dots in the corner.
In the corner of the building.
enemy UAV is airborne.
The UAV was like, hey, yo, hey, yo, look at these heat signatures.
You got a man that, hey, yo, 130 gunship.
Oh, shit. The nigga driving by fly by to deliver the fucking loot box is like, nah, man.
Nah.
I don't condone that shit.
Nah, bro. I need a bullets, not a butt plug, nigga.
Enemy comes in the room like, yo,
you know what?
Das Putan.
Yo.
Like, yo,
wow.
you know what? Y'all do it your thing.
You know what I'm saying? Love is love is love is
They be
love is
like,
love.
yo.
So I'm out.
Nigga be on the headset like, yeah, they don't have a melee weapon, but one of them is getting stabbed, if you know what I'm saying. Call of Duty love.
Oh, no.
They're like, remember that time we spent together on the slums map?
Oh shit!
Remember you topped me off on top of the fountain?
Yo, no! By that weird Russian statue.
Then get his back blown out during an airstrike. You know what?
Let's go inside. Friendly airstrike air coming. All right, we go smash your cheeks inside.
Like when nigga release the dogs, you're like, the dog comes in like,
Oh, so look at your nuts. That's what dogs do.
That's what dogs do.
That's what dogs do.
Well, not Mac. Mac don't be licking nuts during sex.
No? You don't lick up the nut off the floor after you pull out a nut on the floor?
Does he lick the nut off? I don't nut on the floor. I'm a civilized gentleman. The small of the back.
The small of the back. I'm a nigga with 4 kids that's not trying to have 5.
Okay.
So I'm like, yo, shoot that shit at the wall. Like, yo, I'm going completely away from the vagina. Like, yo, let's go.
No, if you nut in the small of a girl's, if you like, you're not wilding and don't nut inside her, and you just nut on the small of her back. It's like when they give you like a small chocolate after dinner.
It's like a little pool.
It's like a little thank you.
Like, hey.
It's like, hey. It's like, you know what it is? It's like, hey.
Look at us. Hey, look at us.
Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought?
Who would have thought?
Not me.
Not me.
All right, now, can I get out of this doggy style position,
No.
or can you bring me a baby
You
wipe?
gotta hop off. No, ideally, like she should have.
That would be like an ill trick. Like, you know how dogs, when you put something on their nose, they go like that, they flip it up and they eat it? If Shorty could just flip up the nut off her back and just be like, ah.
That's disgusting, and that's also very Susio.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, Susio gang. You know, it's Susio, him, her, and them.
Yeah,
I know about Susio people. Try that tonight.
Try to flip the nut off your back.
That's what. It's one thing though. If you're like the chick in the relationship and you suggest that, then the guy's like, "Oh, he's freaky."
Oh,
if
yeah.
you're the guy and you suggest that, you're probably sleeping on the couch. You're probably sleeping. You got to know your girl.
You want me to what?
She gonna make a tweet. She gonna be like a thread. You're like, oh, here we go. Well, you're gonna hear the other rumors. Like, fuck! I done did it again.
You're chuckling and shit.
He's like, "What are you working on, sweetie?" She's like, "A Medium article." You're like,
Oh God, here we go. Goddamn, a long read about nut on my back.
you wake up the next morning. And it's like you're trending. You're like, oh man. The patriarchy of nutting on a woman's back. You're like, what?
Well, I mean,
How's it patriarchy?
How's it? I'm putting myself behind you.
Okay.
I'm placing you in front.
Why does a woman have to clean up a man's mess, aka the world? You're like,
I was like, well, I was like, Ma, you bought me a washcloth.
no, you gotta get her a warm washcloth. You know, warm, not hot.
Yeah,
okay, don't be scalding.
Yeah,
bitches.
don't get hit him with the.
All right,
yeah, no,
this ain't the barbershop. You can't come through and do that thing with the towel where you're like,
yeah, hold this.
Ideally,
Thanks.
as a classy person, if I get some more money, I might get like a little. You know how they have like the vegetable sprayer on the sink?
Yeah,
Get one of those installed on the bed.
Yeah,
Like, just hold shorty off.
or get it like the produce section where it just is on a timer.
Yeah, a little duster, a little humidifier.
It's just like. Psst.
The shit you clean the deck with, you're like, shh. I'm like, yo, Ma, you gotta go to work tomorrow? All right, lift your leg.
Power wash shorty's shirt. Goddamn.
I was like, you want me to? Hey, you want me to put a coat of varnish while I'm down here?
If you come back 8 times, you get a free one. Yo.
Nasty.
God damn.
Nasty.
There's mad crazy shit going on in the sports world.
Yeah, the Knicks, they fired Steve Mills.
Steve Mills after like 45 years. God damn.
I mean, listen, they're trying something. They're trying.
Shout out to you.
You think they're gonna get the guy from Toronto?
I hope so. Even though people are like, he hates the Knicks, and they keep bringing up that clip of him being like, I hate the Knicks. Fam, that clip is almost a decade old, and they are in the same division. Mm-hmm. So that's like me being like a Red Sox fan and you a Yankee fan, and I'm like, yo, the Yankees are cool. I like the Yankees.
Yeah, I'm like, suck my mother's dick, 27 rings,
exactly.
asshole.
Like, you're not supposed to be like, yo, I like the Knicks
True.
if you're an opponent.
That is true. I don't think they're gonna get him, but you know,
Yeah.
we'll see what happens.
You know what I'm saying? It's early, so the Knicks coke is like still in effect.
They might sign a Rich Klein,
Yeah.
the homie.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, we'll see. The Mets, Steve Cohen is out.
He's out.
Sad to see it because a lot of Mets fans were talking cash shit in December.
What?
Saying tide has shifted. They're going to be on the same level as the Yankees when it comes to buying people, and it's like, listen, baby, the Yankees been buying people forever. Also, the Yankees treat DR like Groupon, so like,
Yo, for
listen,
real.
we ain't losing no time soon.
Please.
Listen, the days of the Yankees paying a lot of money for a white guy, like it ain't happening.
No,
Why would I pay? Remember, I think they paid like Roger Clemens like $100 million for one season or some bullshit like that.
Oh my god.
You know, I could get 6 Meros for that, fresh off the boat.
Straight up.
Pay them in fucking Mangoo.
You know what I'm saying?
All right.
And they go out there, hit you, fucking get you 60 home runs, 150 RBIs.
Make no goddamn sense. Catching the ball at the fence, can't even talk English during the post game interview. I'm like, yo, so you hit 6 home runs today? Like, how does it feel?
See, I hit it. When I go to there, I go and I hit the ball, and then I get the money, and that's it. And then I go to Diamond.
Okay.
That's where the chop is.
Now, you know, you're playing in a storied organization such as the Yankees. What does it feel like to wear the pinstripes like Babe Ruth and Lou Gehrig and all these other great players like Derek Jeter?
Well, yes, I like Diamond a lot. I go there all the time. Just as good, be Yankee, yes.
Hey, thank you.
Shit, that nigga's always been awkward.
Okay, we gotta go now.
All right, he's like, okay, that's it.
They don't Gatorade on him, but he doesn't know about that. He starts swinging on niggas. Like, what the fuck?
Hey, Poppy, what the? Hey, what the fuck?
Looky. Looky, mama huevo. Like, start trying to fight everyone. I'm like, that turns to a white guy. Like, the game ain't what it used to be.
Yo.
Shout out to the game. Back in like the 1920s, if you hit a walk-off home run, they dump whole milk on you.
Oh, those are the days.
Nah, I just made that up.
Those are the days. Raw whole milk.
That'd be disgusting.
Straight from the udder, dog.
We need to do a show where
They didn't even skim the shit.
We need to do a show where we do the announcements, but for one of those black and white Yankee games that are mad whack and shit. I'm like, so Sudie McGee hits one up the middle to some other white guy.
And Whitey McWhiterson makes the play at first.
Okay, this reminder, this Yankee game is sponsored by Asbestos Tapioca for your baby. Make sure your baby gets a daily spoonful of asbestos.
That's right. And also, Joe's Whites Only lunch counter.
That's right.
If you want a good pastrami sandwich, go to Joe's Whites Only.
Okay. Joe's, where the pastrami's pink and there ain't no blacks.
That's right.
What? Okay, it doesn't work in 2020, but in 1920,
that shit is
all right.
What fire?
Listen, you're listening to the world's most dangerous white podcast, White Desus and White Mero. hey,
Scooby-Doo, how
the
you
Prohibition
doing?
Boys.
Yeah,
Hey,
that's right.
Hey, we're Sucio Boys because the other day I showed Mero a photo of a woman's ankles.
Hey,
someone hit the problematic trombone.
Hit the problematic slide whistling.
So wait, if porn used to be like women's ankles, then like having sex was like, whoa.
Yo, it was like, fam.
God damn. That's why I guess niggas was like peeking in windows and shit.
It's like the peeping toms. That's where it started. Motherfuckers climbing the trees, like trying to see a bro.
It's wild that peeping toms, the term comes from the inventor of toms. That's wild that he would go around sneak. He made the shoes because the shoes were quieter so he could sneak up and look at women naked.
See?
And people support that.
And people don't even realize that.
Disgusting.
They just like, oh, yo, he's so benevolent. He gives a pair for each pair.
Why do you think he does that?
Guilt.
To balance it out.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Feeling
Open your
that
third
guilt.
eye. Okay?
You know what I'm saying? It don't make up for it, dog.
It doesn't. You're disgusting. Shame.
You know what I'm saying? Papa John's is better than you. How dare you?
Okay, relax. Relax.
Maybe we went too far.
Nah, because like if you eat Papa John's, you gotta like turn the box inside out when you throw it out because you don't want your neighbors to see.
And they're gonna know it's Papa John's anyway because it's gonna have the wild grease spot at the bottom.
This nigga, like the sanitation truck comes and like, this nigga eat Papa John's.
Yo, he left a little pepper in the shit.
What is the little pepper?
A pepperoncini. I just found that out.
That's what it's called?
Yeah, and then I'm like, what purpose does it serve? Because I got a whole pie and it's just one little pepper.
Mm-hmm.
Am I supposed to eat this with the first slice? What is this? An appetizer? Like, what are you trying to do with this? Besides fucking waste money.
I had to stop ordering Papa John's in the Bronx because it was just too, because just the fact that like the driver was like, yo, like anytime a driver's like, you're from the other side of the street,
man.
I'm like, my nigga.
Fam, I'm not lightly jogging across the street in my fucking chancletas.
I'm like, you coming out the car? He's like, nah, it's been out cold. He's like, yo, I'm gonna crack the window a little bit, slide the money through. I'm like, wait,
wow,
how you treating the street like a bulletproof bodega window?
Wow. And also, why you rolling your eyes? I paid for this shit already. Like, why you rolling your eyes at me, dog? All I gotta do is sign this receipt.
Yo, who's that chick with? My nigga, are you on a date while you delivering pizzas?
Yes, this motherfucker, I swear to God, yo, he came, this nigga really is.
Yo, my man, why you making it hot? Why you making it hot?
Yo, like, for real. Like, and he's driving Lyft.
Jamal, 2 chickens.
And, yeah, and he's driving Lyft, too.
Bro, like,
can you believe this shit?
We've been boys forever. We play basketball. No, I don't know you, my nigga. Like, I don't.
Wow, see? Wow. You know what? Está bien. It's cool. First and last day, papi. That's all I'm gonna say. First and last day, and you're not getting no type of toppy. I'm gonna just let you know. Be clear. I'm gonna put you claro, papi. No toppy. All right. We're gonna embrace. We're gonna do a soft hug at the end of the night.
Come on, yo. We still going to Mama Sushi. I got
you.
I got you. Man.
No.
Yo, I'm
gonna smoke the hookah and I'm out. Matter of fact, I'm gonna tell my homegirls in the group chat. I'm gonna be mad blatant and disrespectful, and I'm gonna tell them that I'm a W after the hooks.
I didn't want to have to say this, but I scheduled an appointment for us to get our eyebrows cut together.
Oh wow, that's so sweet.
Cause I care about you, Ma.
Oh my God. Oh, you know what? He said he's gonna get matching eyebrow cuts.
Next week on The Young Indictment.
She's pregnant, like automatically.
I'm like, we didn't have sex. What the
fuck?
Just watching this shit, like, this shit good as fuck, bro. This is the new Sex in the City.
Yo.
I was talking to Yesenia, and she said her and Julio went to go get their eyebrows cut together. I was wondering, if men could get their eyebrows cut with him, why can't I get my Mr. Big to get my eyebrows cut?
Yeah, because Mr. Big is trash. Imagine they just replace like one random character out of Sex in the City when Yesenia.
Everything would change instead of like going to the cafeteria for brunch. It'd be like, we went to King Caradad on 183rd.
Yeah, the fried pork was really good, but it's going straight to my thighs.
Miranda's like,
He's like, that's good. You want a fatty, stupid.
They're like, what would you like to eat? Samantha's like, oh, can I try one of those platinos?
Oh, yeah. I'll eat it in 2 bites.
She's like, I'm feeling naughty. Well, leave the skin on.
She's like, yo, y'all white bitches is crazy. You're supposed to cook it without the skin, stupid.
Honey, the way I cook it, the skin comes off on its own.
Oh, you a sushi girl. I fuck with you, girl.
Nasty.
Yeah. Yo, you eating ass?
More apple martinis. Excuse me. Henny martinis. Sex and Lost City.
Goddamn.
And all the places are in the Bronx, so like they're just at random diners and shit.
We
at the Donko Key. Yo. Samantha wasn't feeling so well, so I took her to Salsa con Fuego to have a discussion. Everyone was like, why does the new Sex in the City come on BronxNet?
Yo, why is the lead-in show at the Ghettonomics?
Charlotte was having issues with her new boyfriend, Sex Boogie, because he just goes to parties all the time and took pictures with women.
Yeah.
Sex Boogie, stay home. It's Saturday night. You can't keep going to the shadow.
Listen, I'm going to the shadow because I got to give wash niggas an opportunity to shout out their baby moms. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing strong community work.
If he's going to the shadow, we should go to the shadow and show him how the big girls get down. This could work. We make this happen. Totally make this happen.
Yeah.
Or we could reboot the special dark Sesame Street. Where like all the jobs left Sesame Street and niggas just all poor and like they're robbing each other.
Oh shit, yeah, they're juxing each other and selling curls and shit.
Fucking Oscar got like fucking security gate, like security bars around his fucking
Mr. Hooper Store's a check casher place now. She gets robbed every week.
Yo, they got mad bulletproof glass and shit. Fucking like Big Bird is strung out on opioids, just like nodding.
Well, he's like, yo, Snuffleupagus, bro. It used to be just you. Now it's both of us, bro.
I'm out, bro.
Like, yo, you used to say, I'll suck your dick. Now I'm like, yeah, can I suck your dick for some fucking, I'll do it. I don't got no lips.
Bert and Ernie are the gay couple that moved in. They're trying to gentrify the neighborhood, but they're way too early. They ain't happening.
They ain't over their heads. They're like, Bert, this is amazing. This is such an up-and-coming neighborhood. It's beautiful.
Ernie, just one of them is knocked out on the steps again. Go do something. Be the man.
Okay.
All right, you be the man now. I'll be the man later.
All right. Excuse me, sir. Sir?
What's going on?
Sir, hi. My name is Ernest.
Hi.
I live in 4B. I'm your new neighbor.
Me name Elmo.
Well, that's nice to meet you, Elmo.
Elmo don't feel so good.
It's fine.
Elmo dope sick.
Okay, well, we can get you some help. We can get you some help.
Elmo need that stuff.
Well, okay, so listen, I have a friend. I just met this guy, great guy, named Julio.
Oh, you know guys? Elmo knows guys.
Yeah.
How good a friend do you want to be with Elmo?
I mean, we could be great friends. We're new to the neighborhood. Just trying to really connect with the people.
Elmo, to me, so sick. To be Elmo's friend, give him $15 and let's go around the corner.
Oh yeah, of course, $15.
Yeah,
Yeah, listen, a friend in need is a friend indeed.
Okay.
Okay.
You got
so.
Elmo wonders, do you have a condom?
I don't.
Elmo says
me and my partner play safe. We get tested monthly, and we're monogamous, so we don't worry about that type of stuff. We also don't use intravenous drugs.
Whatever. So, Elmo be bug chasing. Come on, bro. That was the darkest recreation of Sesame Street. You know what? That's gonna get the podcast shut down. we're gonna be at the Supreme Court. Like, Your Honor, I did not understand that you cannot slander PBS.
Sorry.
We would like to apologize
to PBS and
Jim
to
Henson's estate.
Jim Henson's estate, also to Helena Rubinstein.
The foundation.
You know what I'm saying? And viewers like you. We apologize to all of y'all.
Shout out to PBS. It was like, oh, you thought you was gonna watch TV? No, we're gonna make you feel bad for thinking this shit is free. I was like, well, wait, my parents don't pay for cable. Why y'all? Come on, bro. I just want to see some educational shit. Like,
it's called public broadcasting system.
Yeah.
So why you trying to make me feel bad?
Now. You kids don't know about that life back when your life ended at channel 13, maybe channel 31, maybe channel 41, but there was nothing else.
And then there was like that weird zone, and then you get to 55. Mm-hmm. Yo, you're like, yo, what the fuck is this?
55.
55.
You're like Long Island's local news. You're like, where?
Where is that?
Is that another dimension?
Yo,
is this like poltergeist? Like, what the?
It's just an island. It's mad long.
You're like touching the TV, like, mommy, what's Hempstead?
You don't want to go there. You don't want to go there.
I went there once.
I came back like this.
You don't want to go there. They threw gabagool at me.
Yo, Hempstead is wild, bro. Hempstead is wild cracked out, low key.
Yeah, but then it's weird because also all the streets are named after trees and shit. So it's like,
yo, bro, I need a hot bag. Meet me on Spruce and Maple.
There you go. That's very accurate. That's very accurate. Yo, bro, come suck me off behind the Nassau Coliseum.
Yeah.
Yo, meet me by exit 4 by the Islanders, Mero. No, they do a lot. That happens a lot. A lot of people just park in parking lots and do drugs and not out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I've seen that shit firsthand.
Yeah.
Many, many times.
Not out.
Yo, if the police say you can't shoot up here,
what you gonna do? Not out. What? Not out. If that dope is hitting and you don't gotta go to work, what? Not out.
Nigga, fuck that.
Not out. If your girl got Narcan and your birthday, go extra hard and not out.
What? The sign says 20 minutes for consuming food only. Fuck that.
Sorry, you finished your hash browns 30 minutes ago.
Nigga, what hash browns? Taking up the whole booth.
You can't even nibble it properly. They're like,
niggas nibbling. The shit's over here. Niggas nibbling air like.
I'm in the other booth like,
yo, my man is wild.
Yo, my man's on that hash.
Yo,
my man on that hash. Well, you gotta throw yourself in the shit like,
yo,
my man in that. You know the vibe.
Yo, you know what it is. Yo, we in the hood.
Shout out to the McDonald's on like White Plains Road in 80 over by 80 Avenue. That one always got some shit going on. Mad old people there just waiting for death.
Yo.
Can I get this black coffee to go?
I was about to say,
I'm waiting for my friend, the Grim Reaper.
The Grim Reaper he should be here any minute.
Hopefully. I wait.
Yo, I was gonna say, shout out to the White Castle on, and I was like, wait, shout out to every White Castle because y'all all are pits of despair. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all. But when you are several cocktails deep, nothing slaps like a slider.
Oh yeah. Sliders. We always talk about White Castle. For the amount of we talk about White Castle, we don't eat White Castle like that. A lot of the stuff we talk about, we don't be eating. Because every now and then I pass Taco Bell and I'm like, I should do it. And my son was like, boy,
you better chill.
Boy, he was like,
you got at least half an hour till you get home. You better chill the fuck out.
if you eat it right away, you're good. But then it's just in your stomach, just starting gang wars and shit. Like, you don't want that shit, bro.
When your food is just like declare squatters' rights in your stomach, you're like, yo, this shit. Maybe I gotta chill.
When you eat Taco Bell, it's like when a felon who knows they committed a crime goes into bookings. Cause then they come in there wilding. Like, so you in there innocent, you might be got arrested, like driving on suspended license. And this nigga come in mad hot, ready to fight niggas.
He's like, yo, I don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck.
Yo, I just crashed 16 cars on Jerome.
Pussy. Yo, CO, take off that belt. Come fight me, nigga.
You up,
yo,
nigga.
move, nigga. I'm sitting right there. I run this
pussy.
shit. Yo, get the fuck off the phone.
Yo, let me see the judge. Tell that nigga I say he's buns.
Fuck y'all niggas.
Straight up.
Nah, fuck that. Nobody's sleeping while I'm open, all right?
Fuck that.
I'm away. Everyone's gonna stay the fuck up.
Oh, you want the phone, nigga?
Fuck that. Nigga, break the phone. You be like,
wow.
In that moment, you like, all right.
Okay.
All right, calm down. I'm here on a suspended license. I'm probably gonna get an ROR. Just gotta make it to the judge. But at the same time, you like in your head, you like, I ain't pussy though.
I'm not pussy though.
I'm not pussy though.
I'm
No.
not pussy. And there's
that
bad people.
That nigga see you having that internal dialogue and be like, the fuck you thinking about, nigga? And then right there, everything free and frame. Like, your choice could change your life forever.
It's the movie shit. It's like, I guess you're wondering how I got into this mess.
A lot of times, all you gotta do is bark up though, because a lot of times, nigga, if you like beat another nigga up in bookings, you get rearrested and charged with felony assault. You get an additional 7 years, and most people know that. So you do a lot of barking in bookings, but
niggas ain't throwing hands. It's like the NBA. Like, yo, what's good? What's good?
But there was one time when I got locked up, and there was one crip in the holding area we were in. It was Manhattan bookings, and 3 Bloods came in, and it was like, yo, everyone go to the front of the cell, and everyone was in the front of the cell, and they just beat the shit out that crip. And then he was like screaming, CO, and he was like while leaking, and the COs took him out. And they was like, what happened? And niggas was like, I think he fell.
I think he fell in the toilet.
I wasn't. Nigga, I ain't snitching. I ain't see shit. They was like, what's your name? I was like, Ray Charles. Nigga, I ain't see shit.
Yes.
I don't even know I was in jail.
I don't know.
Where's my CNI dog? Let me get the fuck out of here.
Last thing I see was a ribbon in the sky, nigga. Fuck out of here.
And then it's just like, when you first get the bookings, you like, you know what? I'm gonna mind my business. I ain't gonna talk. I ain't gonna say shit. After like 25 minutes, you just talk. You making friends and shit.
You're like, yo, son.
You ever been to Bali? My nigga,
is it lit?
That should be popping.
It's popping?
And you just have a conversation with mad niggas. Like, so Gwyneth Paltrow, right? She's runs a woman's lifestyle blog called Goop. So, you know.
She got the vagina candle, but it smells like wood.
That's right, my nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
Like geranium and all types of shit.
Wild shit. Like,
also, if you have perennials, you know what I'm saying? You might want to put them on a southeast facing window so they get as much sunlight.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
When east to west, you feel me? Like, yeah, it rises in the east.
Any of y'all niggas seen Parasite?
Yo, that shit was lit.
He's like, I'm in art prison.
He's in the fucking Pratt lobby. Y'all need to just turn that shit into a bullpen.
I'm like, niggas can't lock me up. They're like, sir, you are in the IFC theater.
Sir.
Wow. Damn, Jesus. Wow. You took it back to the IFC theater.
Oh, wow. God damn. Do you want to
still around?
Do you want to see a French movie with subtitles and impress your shorty?
Oh, they moved it because it used to be in it used to be next to the Taco Bell with the rats across the street from West 4th Street.
Shout out to the Rat Taco Bell.
Rat Taco. I mean, technically, they're.
I mean, yeah.
You know. They're like, hey, I'm eating Taco Bell. Like, what does this mean? I'm like. Matter of fact, you know, let me get a Taco Supreme with extra.
That should be hitting.
Next morning, you take a wild shit. Your butthole hurts. You're like,
oh my God! Wow!
Like, if you do it right and you got mad drunk and that's the reason you got Taco Bell, you don't remember that in the morning. And then you just take the walk. You're like, what the fuck?
Fam.
You're like, am I dying?
Or if like you,
am I Ava Devine? Is my anus gonna prolapse?
The best thing, like the best outcome for that, is to get super smacked and have a commute where you just miss shitting in your pants. You get to the crib and you take that drunk shit that you don't even remember the next day.
Yeah.
And then the next day you just like, yo, my ass is on fire, but I don't know why. You know what I'm saying? Then you just hop in the shower and just like cool off.
Yeah, but you gotta, when you wake up in the morning, that morning shit, you gotta like, yo. Because right away, you know, it's just like it's in a holding pattern. But then when the actual flight lands and niggas depart.
Oh, boy.
Woo. Woo. Lord.
The seatbelt sign is still on.
They're like, yo.
Please remain seated while we take this wild
it's like,
dookie.
sorry, we're about to experience some turbulence. Like, oh no.
Oh, this is your
no.
captain speaking. We're about to hit some splatters.
There's turbulence, and then there's like when the flight attendants sit down and strap in turbulence.
Yeah.
When you see that shit, you're like, oh, we dying.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. When
Them niggas be on planes all day, and if they're like, oh, this shit too much.
Have you ever seen a flight attendant sitting with in that seat with the seatbelt
like that? Like I was like, wait, is this bitch praying? Like, what? Yo, what you heard? What do you know?
Oh, nothing. Would you like another ginger ale, sir?
Yeah.
Before we die, I mean, so for refreshment.
And the last thing I would, if the plane's about to crash, I'd be like, nigga about to die, and I paid $21 for Wi-Fi. Fuck that.
I'm tight.
Nigga get to heaven mad tight as shit.
I'm going to get to heaven like, yo, God, I need 3 hours of Wi-Fi right now.
Right now.
Before I can walk in here.
Where's small claims court? Where's small claims?
Huh?
Okay.
Got this,
Peter's like, would you like to see your life story? I'm like, nah, nigga.
No.
Nigga. Delta took my money for Wi-Fi. I picked the bill. I didn't even get it.
Yo, straight up. I got the 6 cheese ravioli. It was probably a bad idea, but fuck it.
I pushed some little refugee kid out the way. I'm like, move, nigga. Move, nigga. I got Delta 1.
Nah, fuck that.
Fuck that. I got VIP.
Yo, like my man said, we going to small claims court.
Oh my God. What if you get to heaven and it has like boarding groups?
Oh, man.
And because you think you're popping. What if you get to heaven and there's
you
like,
group 4?
And they're like, now boarding group 1. Amish. You like, wow. Man, niggas is like, yo. Amish is like, yeah. How you like your folks down?
Yeah,
Yo, suck my wooden dick. I'm about to make mad butter with Jesus.
Yeah, tight.
They just do like the wild pecking order and shit. You're like, come on, we gotta be next. What the fuck?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Boarding group 2, Baha'i. I'm like,
what? What the
like
fuck?
20 of these niggas. What the fuck, bro?
Shit. Group 3 Taoism. Like, yo.
Nah,
man. That was a sleeper pick. Damn.
Now boarding group 4, surprise group. Scientology. You like, come on. I'm like, niggas like, boo. She turned to the NBA draft. Boo.
The fuck out of here.
Surprisingly, with pick number 4, St. Peter picks Scientology. You did not expect to see this. You did not. Scientology comes out with the hat like, yeah.
Yo, just glad to be signed. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my nigga Jehovah.
Shout out to Zeta. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the Book of Diabetics. Yo, Elon Hubbard. You know what I'm saying? Yo, shout out to Tom Cruise. Shout out to Suri.
You know what I mean?
We talk about heaven a lot on this show.
Small claims court in heaven.
Are we obsessed with death? Are we obsessed with dying? Does mocking the idea of our death and our passing, is that how we come to terms with the fact that we're getting older and it's every day it encroaches a little closer to the point where there have hopes, dreams, and aspirations that we might want to accomplish that we never will. And at one point we're going to stop having hopes and dreams because guess what? We know we won't be able to accomplish them. And with that resignation, do we even try to keep living? Niggas like, it's not that deep, nigga. Keep getting checks.
Yeah, no.
Nah, listen, one day.
I was like, when you grew up in the Bronx, you're facing your mortality at the age of, I want to say, 8?
Listen,
so
just a matter of time after hanging with David Letterman on the number 1 show at late night. You know what I'm saying? DJ Mero back at your ass. Showtime. You know
all the pinazo Vaseline.
Don't
you know
watch it on a fire, dick. But yeah, after talking to David Letterman, I think one day I'm just gonna retire. I'm going to move to Montana and be the 5th black person in Montana, and I'm going to open a rescue dog shelter for abandoned Boston Terriers.
That'd be nice.
Yes. Yeah. And Showtime's gonna call me and they'll be like, come back and do the show. And I'll be like,
no.
I'm with my dogs.
I'm with my
Where my dogs at?
We right here, dog.
All the white nationalists is playing fucking DMX.
Come on.
Also,
Come on.
I'd be the only black person in Montana. Also, I would have so many fucking guns.
Oh my God.
And I would invite every black person up. I would start an alphabetical order list of every black person. You'd come to my ranch in Montana and we just bust guns and listen to Dutty wine.
Yo.
Okay?
You gotta do like the Kanye shit in Wyoming, but in fucking Montana.
I'm gonna have my nigga drive up.
There with twin kids like,
They're like, which house is Jesus? They'll be like, the one with the big Jamaican flag.
You know the fucking vibes.
You know the fucking vibes. They have mad speakers and shit at like 8 a.m. They're like, big money wine, 10, 5 cents, 10 cents, $1.
They're like, yeah, hello, Sheriff. There's a lot of noise coming from the house down this road. Yeah, that's it. I keep hearing that. I don't know what it is. Is that some kind of like fire alert or something? There's also lasers, and there's a guy named Bobby Condors there hosting the event. It seems to be an event.
Me kill that longer than me knife. Tell me where you like.
Big up Montana, yes, big up my man with the bison. We flew Hasan in, and he is big up the Bashment. The first time Reggae Sludge has been hosted in Montana.
Rivers, Cleavers, big up, let's go! Big up Spanish Town! Big up Black River! Big up Kingston!
That's right. We're having Sunsplash in Montana.
That's right. Guys, let me say it, Montana!
All the militias were like, I don't like this shit. Montana got wild. I'll be like, yo, everyone that comes gets a gun.
Freak out this in a swag bag. You get a fucking M16.
And we talking about ARs, baby.
You get some Keel soap and a fucking AR-15 and shit. Like, oh, wow. This is exfoliating soap, and I can clap a nigga when I get back home.
Oh, wow. You don't even need... Jesus Christ.
Montana, you can probably buy a gun in a fucking bodega.
You can open carry is legal in Montana without a permit for anyone at least 18 years old that can legally own a firearm.
What?
Them niggas is on some other shit.
Yo, what?
Oh my God.
No wonder there's 10 niggas in that whole state. They all killed each other.
Yeah.
Yo, that was my parking spot, stupid. Pow! Hold that. I'm 19. What the fuck? Bro, you give 18-year-olds gas with no type of situation, like...
Well, here's the thing. Only 2,000 black people live in Montana out of a population of nearly 800,000.
Goddamn.
Okay? You know, I think they did some, yeah. Montana's racist as shit.
Yeah, I mean, clearly. And it's all mountains and shit. Like, who wants to fucking live in I don't want to live in a fucking mountain, dog. Like, I like Wi-Fi and shit. I like Pinot. You know what I'm saying? Live life.
Yeah, you gotta have Pinot. I mean, just in case, if you're a real Susio person, save a couple of clips
you know what I'm saying?
To your hard drive, just in case you don't got Wi-Fi.
You know what I'm saying?
Some clips you really like.
And make sure you got the VLC player on decky, just in case you codecs change all the time.
And like if it's about, because some of the 4K files are really big. You don't need all that.
You don't need
Get
that.
some of the older but goody ones.
Yeah.
For example, the episode, I believe it is a Brazzers or a West Coast Video. Coffee Brown works at a historical store that sells war souvenirs.
Oh.
A black guy without a shirt comes in. Next thing you know, he's blowing her fucking back out on a torpedo. You gotta love it. You gotta fucking love it.
Shout out to one of the Hall of Famers. Shout out to Nat Turner. You know what I'm saying?
Nat Turner, the porn star, not the actual Nat Turner.
Yeah,
not that,
but he's mad clever with the spelling of the name. He put an H.
Yeah,
like turn her.
Yeah.
Like I'm gonna turn her out.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, the same way there's kids on Twitter that was like, I didn't even know that if you reverse what Missy was saying, it makes sense.
Yeah,
you just blew people's minds. Like,
you know what I'm saying?
Some kid's gonna write their thesis about that.
Yo, Nat Turner
with the H stood for.
Turner.
Yeah,
the parallels. Like, yo, there's the parallels. He's just blowing shorty's backs out. Shout out to him. But if you just Google him, like he's like the, I wouldn't say like he's like the MVP. He was like the guy for a minute.
He had a run.
You know
Watching porn is weird when you start recognizing niggas. So you're just like,
you're like, yo, that's my nigga right there.
Yeah, like, yeah. The worst is like if you see like the chicken while hot, but you know the nigga's dick game is trash. It's like, what is this? Boo! Stop pulling it out and pushing it back in. Just blow her shit up. What are you doing? Niggas turn into Doris Burke. I can't watch this. He's not doing work at all.
He's pulling out.
You hate to see it.
What
He
a
forced the
miss.
scene while flaccid.
Oh, man.
Wow, he's manually inserting his cock. You hate to see it. You hate to see it. This is worse than the Nixon force.
It's terrible. I mean, he's roping and choking.
Wow.
It's terrible.
Must be having the bad days. Some days you just don't bring the heat.
Yeah, he was a precocious neophyte, but now he seems to be washed.
And then when you see that, as a male, now I feel bad for the guy.
Yeah, I'm like,
damn, this thing got mad cameras around him. He can't get that shit out. And he's like, fuck. Think something sexy. Or he might be like, don't think of something that's not sexy.
Then you get two in your head.
Yeah, I could get aroused to. He's like, fuck, I'll fuck this girl. Can you not get this shit up?
Fuck.
He looks over to the sound man. Sound man's like, with the mic, like. The producer's like,
come on.
do we Mero, do we need a fluffer? You good there?
I'm good.
All right, because
you know, dick game strong.
you kind of got the windsock going on.
Nah. I'm just, you know, this is my first BBW scene. You know what I'm saying?
DK, this thing is soft.
I'm like, all right, that's all right. You know what?
All right.
Reset. Let's break for lunch. Mero, we're gonna give you some time in the trailer. We'll see. Hey, listen, big man. You work through it. Listen, there's lobster mac. Okay. Crafty.
All right.
Don't you eat? Take a nap. You know, we try to get after this. We got this. We got the studio all day, baby.
Okay. All right.
All right.
You.
Listen. I love your work. I love you. Seen your last scene.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
I know you got it in you.
Listen, that's what I needed to hear.
Okay.
I appreciate you.
All right.
Thank you. I'm gonna get it up.
Okay.
For you.
All right. No problem. Yeah, can we get Nat Turner on set? 'Cause, I don't think Mero's gonna bring the heat. Imagine you come out your trailer and you just see like, and you're like, wow.
Then they just switched to my eye vision and everything is navy blue because I took 6 Viagra's in my trailer.
I like, so we not doing this Bodega Boys porn? I come out the wild dick. Like, yo. What's poppin'? What the fuck, bro?
Sir, you have wow, you do have a robe on, but you are still, wow.
Yeah, it's out. It's out, bro.
Okay, all
it's
right.
out. No, listen.
Can we get a robe that ties on the side, please?
No, come on. Come on. They're like, are you mic'd up yet? I'm like, no, not yet. Not yet. Guy's like, I'm gonna just drop this down. I don't see any pockets, so I'm gonna just put this battery pack in your butt.
That's okay, baby. That's okay, baby.
I'm like, just use a little more lube this time. If there was a Bodega Boys porn, let me see, what scenes could it be? There'd be a scene. It'll be like, oh, daddy's home. Mero gets out the car, coming home from work to meet his wife Heather, played by what's her name? She looks like Triple H. We always talk about her. Shorty, strong face, curly hair.
Sarah J.
Yes. Nigga, I would watching Mero fuck Sarah J. Nigga, start an OnlyFans. I will subscribe 20 times. The whole time you bang her out, like, you see me in the windowsill, like, whoa. Delo mio!
The obligatory, like, DP scene in the slam room.
Oh, yeah.
At Milk Studios.
You got it.
Yeah.
When our interviews turn into, like... Woo!
Hasan in the back just squirting, like, oil on niggas with a water gun and shit, like, yeah.
Oh, Lord. Oh, wow. Wowie. Oof. Wow.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Dane over here like, yo, hold on, let me get under there. Let me get the angle. Yo, you got oil on the lens, my nigga, chill.
Oh, shit.
Yo, we got to cut. Hold on. You got baby oil on the lens, dog.
Oh, shit. We just have the wild bonus scene. It's like we have Vanessa Del Rio on the show.
Oh,
and she's in the green room eating crafty. And then Josh walks in like, I have a script.
Hey. She's like,
oh, wow.
Oh, you got a script? You got a dick, Poppy?
I was just looking for Desus.
I mean, I do. This is Josh in the wall topic. He's like, oh, that's excellent topic. That is just excellent. This is a really good topic. I gotta say, Vanessa, you're really great at topic. I really appreciate you.
Josh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry you just said that you blow Vanessa Del Rio's back out. What if Josh puts work in?
Yo,
because you don't know the face of Vanessa Del Rio used to make. She's like,
oh my God.
Yeah.
Josh
is like, take that, Boston.
Yeah. Hold that.
We are not good people.
Josh, you gotta tear Vanessa Del Rio ass up.
Damn. Now Josh and his wife are gonna take us on the real. He's like, that's not the Josh I knew. I was like,
he's like, well, you know what? Desus and Mero made me a Sucio boy. And I'm a Sucio boy. That's it.
There you go.
So get with it or get lost, like Little Weezy said.
I'm a Sucio boy.
Sucio boy. It gotta be like an anthem, Sucio boy anthem.
We gotta make Sucio boy jackets, and they just say like Sucio, If you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
So when you see each other in public, you're like, yeah. It's like Mr. Robot, but everyone knows it's a secret society.
Yeah, all we ask is
not secret society trying to change the world, just secret society and just nasty niggas.
Nasty niggas like,
nasty. For all my ladies, you know, you got good professional jobs and shit. Your Twitter is nothing but like politics and uplifting black shit. And you go home, you know what I'm saying? Bust open maybe a White Claw, maybe like a little Merlot.
You know what I'm saying?
Pull out the old vibrator, get the MacBook out, watch a little Law and Order, and go to town. You ladies know the vibes.
What do you think, man? You know what I'm saying?
You know the fucking You got time for these broke niggas out here.
You know what I mean?
These niggas ain't bringing the heat. Nigga take you out on a date, buy you some jalapeno poppers, and be like, yo, you want to go half and half? Nah, come on.
Like, nah,
she's like, my nigga, I have a master's degree.
Stop.
What's wrong with you?
I have 2.
What's wrong with you? You see these dreadlocks? You know how long they took to grow?
Motherfucker.
Respect my shit.
Stupid. You see, I came in the date straight from work in my pencil skirt.
He's like, hey, you know what I'm saying? I pulled this bar because, look, you could watch 2 basketball games at once.
You feel me? I'm thoughtful like that.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I know you're a basketball
You got
fan.
money on the Raptors?
You know what I'm saying? They doing their thing.
Matter of fact, let me just call my man because I want to run a jersey and I want to do some betting. And like, you know, I can't do that here in New York.
So,
he's outside. It's a lift. And I'm just like, yo.
Wow. So you're going to leave. So you want me to stay here and just wait for you to go bet on basketball? I wanted to get to know you.
Oh, I mean, that's cool. That's cool. My man got, you know, matter of fact, I think his girl's in the car as well. So you could go at half and half if you want on a double date. So
we're going to get in a car so that you can gamble in New Jersey on our first date.
I mean, if you say it in that cadence, it sounds bad.
Well, I mean, it is bad because I am an educated woman and I have 2 masters. And it seems to me like you are a fucking struggling SoundCloud rapper.
I mean, if we're going to call each other names and put labels on each other, as far as being educated, you are. But I went through your purse when we went to the bathroom and there's not a lot of money in that. So how am I supposed to...
Wow. You know what? Student loan debt is a fucking crisis in this country, you asshole. And for you to bring that up and on our first interaction together, that's incredible. That's incredible. You know what? Group chat.
Wow.
Yo, Yesenia, this motherfucker, I swear to God.
Next week on a new BET drama, Kente. We supposed to go to Africa and you haven't done enough fulfillments on your travel deposit. There's $200 left. Are you going or not?
Yo, man, you stay with the African shit, yo. Yo, why can't we just go to Burnside? Let's go to Burnside. They got the spot right there. My man Mamadou got the restaurant. You know what I'm saying?
I want to put that on a shirt. You stay with that African shit.
Yo, you stay on that shit.
That sounds like something a heckler says at the Schomburg. Like, yo, you still, man, jealousy of the species. Like, the free talk? Yo, you stay on that African shit, my nigga.
Stay with the African shit.
Come on, man.
Fuck, bro.
What about Portugal?
Yo, yeah, let me guess. Yo, it's mad fall. Yeah,
It is Black History Month, though.
True.
I mean, Black History Month is kind of trash.
It's the
They're like, here,
enjoy
enjoy this 1 month. And it's like, what do you do? It's like, oh, hey, let's shout out all these black people that died, that invented shit.
Yeah.
Like,
can we do celebrating, alive?
Yeah, but then what you gonna be like, yo, shout out to G Herbo? Like, that's the homie, but like, what accomplished? Like, you're just like, yo, shout out to G Herbo. He be at Root Chris a lot. That's remember he was like, he goes to Root Chris every day, and I was like, yo, young black man,
listen,
I need you to.
Let me give you some advice.
That's how I know I'm washed, because every time I'm around like a celebrity that is younger than me, I put my arm around them. I'm like, let me tell you something, boy. That money you got right now, it's not always gonna be around. I need you to check your spending. That was me and Todd Gurley at the club because he got like bad drinks. So I was like, whoa. Now, simmer down now. Now, I don't know if you ever seen the ESPN special Money. But listen, the money comes, the money goes, just like the women. You know what I'm saying? But listen, boy, I need you to slow down and spend. Well, you ever invested in a Roth IRA? Nigga, we are in the club. I was like, now listen.
What the fuck?
Now see if you.
My neighbor name's Roth.
Now see the dividends. You can the tax base. Now, do you own property?
Hell yeah, I got like 4 cribs, bro.
Okay, now that's good. Now see,
I'm renting them, but like,
have
you
ever thought about maybe a reverse mortgage? Matter of fact, I'm gonna send you a YouTube link.
Okay.
let's talk about that.
All right.
Because the best investment you could do is on yourself. There's like a girl with big titties. I was like, excuse me, lady. We are talking finances.
Ma'am, excuse me.
The nerve of these vixens.
He's
Anyway.
like, excuse me, but can she just sit here while we talk? Like,
Listen. I've been in the game a long time. I'll tell you this.
I apologize. I gotta focus.
Okay? Listen. You'll lose women chasing money. Okay?
But you don't lose money chasing women. Yeah, I know my Uber driver told me that.
Okay, but think about that. I don't want to say that. That's the 49th. 49th law of power, baby.
Oh, so you a jail nigga?
Oh, am I? Okay. Listen, you get me a piece of cheese, a candle, and 2 pieces of bread. I'll make you a grilled cheese sandwich.
Do a little LeBron shit and walk out like, so you a jail nigga? Oh, you giving me jail financial advice?
Listen,
Okay.
Listen, like the big homie told me in Attica, you're like, oh, here we go. Here we go. Nah, but like, you know, like if you see people spending money and you're just like, yo, relax. But then I'm thinking about it from like my point of view. Like if you have like a $249 million contract, like you ain't going broke anytime.
It's like, fam,
if you go broke and you have $249 million, you deserve to go broke.
Yeah, you do it. You're trying to go broke. You're
and that's
actively
usually
trying
like
to
your
go broke.
family makes you go broke. They're like, yo, I want to open a barbershop for pit bulls. I need 20 mil. So yeah, and your accountant is like, really? Like, is that really?
Is that
my sister wants to open a beauty salon for eyelashes. She needs 20 million. You're like, oh wow.
Oh,
wow.
20 million for eyelashes.
Wow.
20 million for a storefront in the Bronx and some fake eyelashes?
Yeah. My auntie, she wants to make a drag club for cats in Astoria.
Oh.
So she gonna need 20 mil.
Okay. Rent is very cheap in Astoria.
Rip
you
the
sure about
runway, waiting for tonight. Well, you will be there in my round. Jason Derulo.
He's like, yo, it's a drag show. Jason, get out of here.
I love this drag show, but what it does to my allergies, my God.
all the danger.
It's like Matt Clarendon. I'm like, yes, go off, bitch. Yes, queen. Yes.
That was fierce.
Did you see what Billie Eilish said about hip hop?
Yeah, she's like, this is my Billie Eilish. It's like, yeah, like these guys are like rapping about like their bitches and like taking your hoes and like AK-47s, and I'm like, dude, you don't have a gun.
Yeah, I mean, is she wrong?
She's right.
She's right. And then people say she's not supposed to say it. She's 18. The fuck?
What the fuck were you saying when you were 18?
Also, like, why do you care? It's like when you were on a hip hop message board or some shit, and you argue with somebody or like on Twitter, and like somebody says some wild shit, and you about to like, or someone says some shit like, "Yo, if you're 25 or older, you shouldn't be on Twitter," and you about to flame them, and then you click on their Twitter avatar and you see them, and they're like 18. You're like, "Yo, what am I gonna argue with this little nigga for?" This is not this conversation. I should not even know about this shit.
Doesn't matter.
Also, niggas do be lying. Look at Tekashi. Also, I said it from the jump that he was fake, but y'all niggas don't want to listen to me. Remember when I banned Tekashi's music from being played on the set of our show on that other channel I won't mention. But because I like Bloods don't cover their whole Jeep in the blood fucking
ridiculous.
bandana.
Yeah, no.
Also, Bloods don't be dancing around in front of brownstones in Brooklyn.
No.
That outraged me. I am not a property owner.
I promise you that.
Ooh. I would have been on the neighbor out like, yo, there are Bloods in front of
There's gang members doing a diddy pop in front of my building right now.
I would be at the community board that week. I'd be at the meeting with photos.
You'd be looking at Waze's traffic on the like, why is there traffic?
I'd have
like,
printouts of the lyrics. I'd just give them out.
Like, yo, here, say this.
I was like, do you know what this is doing to my property values? Okay,
They're plummeting. God damn it! You and your
I bought this house for one reason: to gentrify. We'll get these blacks out of here.
God damn it! I thought we got rid of the junior mafia.
Okay,
now you got the junior mafia.
Listen, I want Harlem to be how it should be. White. Yeah. Listen, as long as that Whole Foods in Harlem, they're like, yeah, baby steps, baby. Yeah, they're like, yo, we are Whole Food, but we still in Harlem.
Take it easy.
My favorite thing is people in Whole Foods that don't know how like the register system works, because you used it before. You know, it's like, oh, you go to 5, you go to this. And then people like that, they just go to the next available one. And then they be having like, not white people, because that's racist, but just people who aren't necessarily from Harlem under pressure. Because imagine like, you know, you just moved here from, I don't know, New Brunswick or some shit. Yeah. And now like somebody that was like a killer for Alpo and just recently got released back to the streets. And now he's shopping at Whole Foods with his wife, who held him down for the whole bid. Yeah. And now they're celebrating by wearing the minks they bought in 1985. Oof. And they decide that, listen, fuck you. They're going next. You gonna step up?
What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do? It's like that. It's like that booking situation. It's like, freeze. You might be wondering how I got in this situation.
Yeah. I don't think excuse me is gonna work in this scenario.
Nigga, move your bitch ass. We checking out.
Yo, what the fuck?
The fuck is wrong? No, you're not. If you look at the monitor, I actually have next.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, if you look at my face, motherfucker, I got next.
Yeah? Well, guess what? I've been doing Bronx CrossFit. Come on, pussy.
Oh, Bronx CrossFit?
Bronx CrossFit. I'll fuck you up.
Did they teach you this yet?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow, you slashed my face.
Yeah.
Slashed my face. I've eaten better than that. Come on, that's all you got, pussy?
Oh, wow.
You're even in the real jail? I'll fuck you up. I've been tossing tires all day.
Oh, wow.
You know what? Hold my macho. I'm about to fuck this guy up.
Oh, shit, this nigga's really thugged out.
Look at this fucking old head.
Oh, shit.
You fuck, yo, nigga, this is 80 block, okay?
Oh,
and that's the name of my co-op.
All right.
Okay, I'll fuck you up.
Yo, my bad, dog.
Okay, I marched against Israel. I'll fuck you up.
Oh, shit.
I'll fuck everyone in this Whole Foods up.
Yo.
Jonathan is not taking it anymore.
You got it.
On blood.
You got it.
And on blood, I mean the blood oranges in the vegetation section. They're 3 for $2 this week. You might want to check that out. All right? Get out of here, pussy.
Oh, okay. My bad, dog. Shit.
And then his black girlfriend's like, ooh, Jonathan.
Ooh, shit.
Ooh.
Like, yo.
Ooh, I'll let you get on top tonight.
Then I go on Facebook and shit, mad like the old head. These young motherfuckers mad disrespectful nowadays. You know what I'm saying?
Caps.
Respect.
Yo, all caps. Back in my generation, we wouldn't let that shit happen. That's the problem because there's too many homosexuals in the black community.
This is all Lil Nas X.
All right. Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I turn on the TV and I see 2 men kissing, eating mozzarella sticks. This is the type of shit I got to tell my son.
Pick up. It's a stick up, and I'm robbing niggas quick. Where's the hiccup? Is that where Biggie robbed the pregnant woman?
Yes, he did.
And Bad Boy was like, yeah, just reverse when he says pregnant.
Yeah, no big deal.
No big deal. Remember when Diddy was like, I got Asian women to change my linens? Everyone was like,
oh,
okay. Really?
Who wrote that?
Wow. I know Cassie was like,
I would shave half my head.
My nigga.
She shaved Slave and half her head that was shaved.
Cassie was like, you know what? I'm so fed up. I'm only going to stay with you for 7 years without a rig. Wow. You know what? That's how I know we got to end this podcast because I'm starting to feel bad about the things I say. Because if this was
Cassie's like, yo, what the fuck?
If this was
I fuck with y'all.
That's also another thing. Like, there's been people we've roasted and I meet them and they're like, yo, I'm a big fan. Why do you say that about me? I was like, it was in love, baby.
Speaking of, yo, shout out to Janice Griffith. Because now we have a fucking unlimited supply of Pornhub merchandise.
Yes. Yes. Not necessarily my size.
Bags, socks.
Yes.
Motherfucking comforters, duvets.
You got, listen, we Susio boys. We gotta be a different type of Susio boy to use a Pornhub book bag.
Book bag?
All right? And we will find out when my nephew enters the new school year next year. He's like, what's Pornhub? I was like, it's a pharmaceutical company.
Yeah, don't worry about it. It's like a Peppa Pig spinoff.
It actually would not be the first time because when I used to work in the porn industry, Jesus is at every job ever. I need a drop that says that. Like, Jesus is at every job ever. One day I'm gonna do a rap song about every job I had, and I'm gonna have DJ Premier be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It'll be like jacking for beats and shit.
Yes.
Like the beats fits up for every job.
So I worked for a porn affiliate company, and then it was Pussy Cash. And so I went to
Pussy Cash.
It was the CES convention, the consumer. No, it was like an affiliate convention, and they had it. They used to have it in the Valley in California, and then they had it. When they had it in New York City, everyone was like, "Oh my god, bro! I don't know where to get coke from." And I was like, "Oh, y'all need coke?" And I called Pat, and Pat was fucking bad porno stars and delivering coke to mad people. He was like, "It's like the best weekend of my life," and he didn't know that these people were porno stars, so they weren't dressed like porno stars. But I was like, "My nigga, she got triple G titties. Like, what do you think she does?" Anyway, at these conventions, they give you like pamphlets, hats, all types of swag, and they gave me a tote bag. And because my mother's West Indian, and what that means is whatever you own, your parents own.
Oh yeah,
so they don't have to ask permission to take it.
I made you, so it's mine.
My mother decided she was going to go to like Aldi or some shit. Shout out to Aldi.
I don't know. Fucking evil angel tote bag?
No, with the Pussy Cash tote bag. And she didn't even realize what it said. And she was like, I come back, and that's how I knew I was in trouble because it wasn't Dan, it was Don. So I was like, ah, shit. I just turned right around like that Abe Simpson gif and just left.
Like, all right, I'm gonna head out.
And my mother never. She was like, "Are you doing the porno?"
The porno.
And the way she thought I was doing, she thought I was in pornos. I was like, I'm doing like encryption and like back end administration work on a free BDS server.
Like, what do you think I'm doing? Like I'm
Mom.
not getting pegged on fucking film, man. Relax.
But I was like chilling with like porno stars and arguing with them about like if they're, because this one girl was like, I'm running my website off of like WordPress, and I'm in the back like, it can't handle that many simultaneous demands. And like,
how many gifts are you putting on?
Me and this girl going back and forth. I was like, who's this bitch? And I go up in my hotel room and like I put her name. And it's like wild hardcore porn stuff comes out. I forgot her name. Shout out to her. And I was like, oh shit. Wow, you're the wild Pino shit. And afterwards I apologized. I was like, hey, I didn't know you're running your own site. I don't think she still runs it now. That's gotta be weird if you like drop out of porn. If you run your own. Because you got like Sushio people like us
that still like go back to your old website and shit.
And you're like, yo, eventually niggas gonna stop mentioning me. And then you search your name on Twitter and it's like, yo, Desus just mentioned you on Tuesday. I'm like, remember that old bitch?
Yeah.
Still beat my meat to her stuff from 94. Oh, y'all never heard about her? Here, let me do her discography.
Yo. Oh, y'all don't know about Gina Fine? Yo.
Or you Google them and you find out there's like a GoFundMe because it was mad sick. Oh, and then there's no update. You're like, oh shit. And then you're doing Ghost Pino. Oof. You're possibly beating your meat to a dead person video, man. Which is an extra level of Sucio.
Yo, that's like yeah. I was gonna say beyond Sucio, but like it's
but I mean, is it any different than that Patrick Swayze movie Ghost?
It's not.
It's not.
That's how you can rationalize it.
Exactly.
I was gonna say because that's beyond Sucio, but if you rationalize it like that, it's like, yo, I loved you so much.
Yeah,
you brought me so much joy that I respect your art.
You brought me, or you still bringing me?
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You feel me?
You feel me?
Like Leonardo da Vinci's dead, but do niggas stop going to see the Mona Lisa? You know what I'm saying? They don't.
That nigga preaching.
You know what I'm saying?
But is it different? Is it different? Like if you stumble across a video, you're like, oh, and you find out afterwards that the person's dead, or if you know Shorty is dead and you start looking for the videos.
Oof.
Because if you look. Every time a Pino star dies,
they trend. On the streaming. Yo, I'm like, yo, y'all
nasty.
Y'all nasty. I'm like, yo, fam.
Like they not eat the body's still warm and you beating your meat.
The Twitter, they still trending on Twitter. Everybody's like, yo, rest in peace, you're such a beautiful soul.
And then porn, not even Pornhub, like X videos is like now trending.
Now trending.
And it's like they're like their name anal, their name interracial, their name stepmom. And you're like, this is a shame. Click, click.
Man specific, like their name, blue fishnet dress.
I remember that one. Upset at photo on phone of auntie.
Yo. Oh, shit.
Just nasty niggas. Yeah, remember we tried to stop being Sucio?
Yeah, no.
We were reaching new levels of Sucio.
Yeah, fuck it. Who cares? It's sex posse.
We're sex posse, but at some point it's like enough is enough. I think we talked about doing like beer flip cup tricks with cum. like all this stuff. Like I think a lot of people listening to this is like, yo, I thought I was nasty, but they are on a whole
beyond.
Another level.
They're beyond.
Every now and then you got to push the Sucio limit. Every now and then you got to be like, yo. You nasty here, but
somebody told me like, yo, I listen to the podcast. Y'all niggas watch a lot of porn. Yeah. I was like, well, it's for like it's just like accumulated knowledge.
It is, but we've been watching we've been watching porn for a long time.
That's it.
And also, there were periods in our lives when we weren't employed. What do you think we did all day?
What the fuck you did? Beat your dick and fucking hope for a job.
Sometimes, listen, at 1:00, people's court ain't on.
You gotta say something.
What do you want me to do?
You know what I'm saying?
All right, that blunt ain't gonna smoke itself. Smoke that blunt, beat my weed. Wait for UPS.
That shit hit different, bro. When you smack too.
Yo, when you
smacked in an empty house.
When you unemployed and you smacked and you wait, nothing is better than when you wait for the mail. That shit is like you base your whole day on that shit.
Like,
you like, oh shit, like because at my mother's house when I was taking care of her, and the only shit we had was Desus versus Mero. So I'd just be chilling with my little newborn nephew, taking care of my mother after her surgery, and basically not working. And then it was like you hear the gate, and it was like a mail slot. So you're on the gate. I know Rocco, he's the best dog ever, and he'd like bark, and I'd run. And I opened the door. I'm like, hey, you got mail?
Hey,
And
what's up?
the lady was like, just take the fucking mail. I'm like, hey, so how's the route? I mean, it's beautiful weather out here.
Nigga, take your fucking Con Ed bill, dog. I got shit to do.
Con Ed, Verizon, ooh. Save the children. Gotta save the children. I believe the children are the future.
You can take that one
How
back.
many years you been working in the post office system? I mean, like, what's the retirement packages like that? Y'all niggas hiring?
Yo, it's hot, bro. It's August, and I got to do like 80,000 more jobs.
You know what? I don't really got too much going on here. Let me just put on some shoes and I'll help you with your route.
That's wild illegal.
Okay, well, all right.
I don't know if you noticed, it's a federal crime to open up people's mail. So I don't know why you in the back of the truck already opened up packages.
Seriousness, in my building, okay, shout out to, I don't know if you listened to this. You've been kind of mean to me, so I'm not going to slander you. My post office lady, like it's an apartment complex, so they open at one door, so they have access to all the mail shit. And so I'm coming in and I saw her put something in my mailbox. So I was like, all right, let me just grab it. And I grabbed it and she grabbed my hand. She was like, what are you doing? And I was like, excuse you? And she was like, you can't do that. That's a felony. And I was like, yo, that's from my apartment.
That's mine.
And she just looked at me and she was like, no, wait for me to close the door. And I was like, yo.
Power tripping.
And she's been the same. Like every time I say hello to her, she don't just like stone face me. Yeah. What's their deal?
She said you need to wait until I close it so I can see that you're gonna get
Your key, right? I already used my key to access the building. Who steals mail? Like, okay, there's people who steal mail.
It's people, so I'm like, yeah.
It's probably a shirt for Urban Outfitters. Like, come on.
Like, grow up.
But if to be fair, if one package goes missing, she does lose her job. So
true, yeah.
I get it.
Yeah, you gotta put.
And then also like
yourself in the shoes.
I always in situations like that, I always have to remember I'm on TV. So no matter what happens, I'm gonna be the dickhead.
Oh, absolutely.
I gotta tread lightly. I gotta tread lightly.
Are you kidding me? There's no scenario where either of us are not the dickhead.
Mm-hmm. Like it's like yesterday we went to that meeting and over by Hudson Yards, and it's the Equinox, not the hotel. And I walked in the hotel and your man ran over and was like, "Yo, can I help you, sir?" And I was like, "Oh shit!" I was like, "Wow, I see what it is." All right,
okay.
It's because I'm a brother, not the other.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow. Use your third eye.
Yeah.
And I was like, "Nah, I'm here for a meeting." They was like, "Who you meeting?" And I was like, "Wow."
Oh, you asked a lot of questions.
I was like, "Wow." He was like, "Yeah, most meetings are down the block, like 3 doors down the block. So you might want to go there." And I was like, "Wow." I was like, "Thank you, sir." But because I'm like on TV, I don't want to be a dickhead.
Yeah.
So I was like, "Thank you."
I appreciate it.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you. I would have been. I appreciate you. Thank you.
I'm sorry for rocking the boat. You know what I'm saying? And I turned my back, and the guy was like, "Yeah." And congrats on season 2. Like, yo, y'all killed that David Letterman shit. Gang. You know what it is? Bodega Hive. I was like, "Oh shit."
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you weren't racist. You just recognized me. Oh wow.
Shit. Oh, thank you.
I'm a jerk.
Yeah, my fault.
Yeah.
Yo. I got recognized by an Uber Eats driver the other day, which is simultaneously frightening and
Nigga pulled up with fries in his mouth like, "Yeah, oh shit.
What up,
That's your order? Oh wow."
No!
They give you a White Castle crave case with 20 burgers. You're like,
well, yo, why is it 87 burgers in here?
Why are there 20 rappers? He's like, they don't even count it right.
Yo, yeah.
I'm like, yo, my man, you got like a chopped onion between your teeth.
Onion right there,
And,
like it's in your beard.
Yeah.
Let me just get it out.
Yeah. Wow.
See this?
Yeah.
This is supposed to be on my burger.
My nigga, is that a clam strip behind your ear like a blunt?
Wow.
You
really living.
You violated.
Okay. Also, it said you were coming here on a bike. This is clearly a Mazda.
Yeah, this is I upgraded. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, what is it with Uber Eats? And why don't I want to say I don't even want to say 9 times out of 10. 10 times out of 10, it shows the guy coming to the crib on a bike, and I feel awful.
Yeah.
So then I'm just like, yo, I gotta like super over tip you, and then the guy rolls up in like a 745.
No,
with like his girlfriend.
In my neighborhood, what happens a lot is like they're like, yo, your thing is being delivered, and you can track it, and niggas make it super good time. Uncle Victor in the house. They make it super good time, and I'm like, oh, this nigga must be driving. And a nigga come running around the corner. I'm like, yo, relax. I was like, and at that point, I run towards him. I'm like, yo, chill. Like, fam. Also, my new thing is like over tipping the Uber delivery people. Like the seamless people.
I tip them in cash now. I don't even do the app shit because, the same thing with Uber where it's like, yo, they take a percentage of the tip even. I'm just like, yo, hold this down.
Went out to eat after the... shout out to FIT. We killed that comedy show.
You know what I'm saying?
Hope we gave you kids guidance or at least fuck your lives up either way. Make some fire outfits.
Facts.
Okay?
If you're in fashion, if you're into like creativity shit, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you need somebody like
Sometimes you need that.
You're that muse to fuck up your life.
So we went to shout out to CB with the fire restaurant recommendation. Went there, and then I realized the waitress was pregnant, and I was like, "Oh, that's fucked up." That she has to still work while she's pregnant. So left a wild, stupid tip. She almost cried. I found out the real reason we were not invited to the Roc Nation brunch is because they know for a fact we would bring Tupperware.
Oh,
They know.
Oh yeah.
We're making to-go plates, and not just for us. For all my cousins.
Oh, no.
I am sending Tupperware full of scrambled eggs that Beyonce breathed over to Jamaica.
Oh my god.
Okay? But I'm not a fool because I'm not sending them overnight. I'm sending them like for a week.
Yeah, in a little barrel. Yeah.
They get to you when you get to you.
Yeah.
We talk about cousins be like, oh, white jeans, CDRs, eggs. Oh
my God! Wow!
You gotta make sure you write Beyonce eggs on a Ziploc and Sharpie. So they recognize and pay homage.
And then my cousins email me back and they'll be like, dearest cousin, for the 40th time, we live in Kingston. We have a Mercedes-Benz. Please stop sending us the things you no longer want. You have sent us white jeans every 4 months for years.
Yo, I just, like the last barrel that I sent out, my pops put me on. He's like, yo, your cousins ain't even rocking this shit. Like, they're taking it and they're selling it to like fucking like consignment stores or whatever, and then they're using that money and then they're copping like actual shit. I'm like, wow, okay.
I sent my cousin a pair of Jordans. He was like, thanks, cousin, but if I wear this, I'll get killed. And I was like, the drip though.
I mean,
I was like,
I'm saying you'd be a drippy corpse.
Listen, would you rather have swag or you rather have life? Because don't ask me about that. Okay.
You gave me the swag of life.
Oh shit! Are we a Sade cover band?
Swag of life. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We gotta get Victor playing the saxophone.
With sunglasses on?
Yeah. Like mad cool and shit. Like he got like the blue blockers on though. Yeah. We got Di and Victoria there in black dresses with red lipstick, like old 80s style. Simply irresistible. Meow.
Playing trombones or something like that.
But just to be weird, we also have Pio dressed like that. Everyone's like, what's going on?
What is this?
We're like, it's art. It's avant-garde.
Don't worry about it.
Desus and Mero were two of the most trend-setting people in the 80s. Would we have been trend-setting in the 80s, or would we have died of a overdose, or would we have sold coke?
All three.
Yeah.
We probably would have been in like the Larry Davis saga.
Yeah.
Larry Davis comes to our crib like, yo.
The cops
comes in.
Why would you come here?
Why'd you come here?
Oh God, come on.
Yo, son, what the fuck?
Mad good shot. I'm like, these niggas shooting.
It's about like time and correct and shit. We take our like PlayStation remotes down. Like, yo, what the fuck?
I'm like, you know what? Fuck this. I'm gonna get us an Uber out of here.
You're wildin'.
Larry David, what are you doing? It's the 80s. You can interrupt us. We're waiting for our Seamless. And
Larry David
everyone at home is like, they're waiting for Seamless in the 80s.
What? Follow me here. The Larry Davis story.
I know where you're going.
Starring Larry David.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He's like,
I showed these cops.
The cops are corrupt.
The cops are corrupt.
I sold them crack. So
I
what?
sold them crack, and now they're trying to kill me.
I mean, they're selling crack too.
You know? Come on. He busted guns. He's like, why are we shooting? Why are we shooting at each other? We had a mutual agreement.
The cop is Susie. That's what he's like. Larry, you bald asshole! I know you're selling my crack.
What? Come on. Also, why is it called crack? Shouldn't it be called cracks?
Or rocks?
Why do we call it rocks?
It doesn't crack. I'm not cracking.
I'm not crack. And they call it a crackhead. Like crackhead, wouldn't it be like a crack body?
Wouldn't it be,
a cracker?
Why would it be a crack in your head?
Why don't we call them crackers? Like when the white people get mad, we're just like, the whole NYPD is outside looking for you.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
And you're over here doing like fucking observational comedy.
I mean, next time they see me, it's in a fucking body bag.
I'm not fucking going back.
Okay, I'm not going back.
I left Cheryl. I'm out here.
All right. Say hello to my little friend. Somewhere Larry David turned into
Nino Brown and shit.
Woody Allen. Who would be a cool guy to, Woody Allen is Eminem before Eminem for white people.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You can't say a bad. Yo,
His movies ain't that good, bro.
Bro, they're
not that good, bro.
They're okay. It's funny because it's like yo, these are okay movies. I'm not mad at these. They're not bad, but it's like people are like, this is canon.
Victor feels some kind of way.
This is canon.
Victor.
But
Victor, the film studio's coming out.
No. The good one.
By God, that's Victor's music.
Annie Hall. Yeah, Annie Hall.
Annie Hall.
Annie Hall?
That was his.
The only thing Annie Hall gave us was a way for white women to dress weird. Okay? Oh, I'm feeling whimsical. I'm going to wear a tie. All right, we get it.
There you go.
We get it.
And then years later, we have Billie Eilish.
Woo. Shade Room, please title this Mero takes shot at 18-year-old girl.
They're gonna fucking be like Mero shoot shot with 18-year-old girl. No.
You're gonna get like the wild text from Drake. Because remember, she said it's not weird that Drake texts her. But I remember the 18-year-old girls in my high school who had 36-year-old boyfriends. So I'm not listening to you.
Yo, shout out to DWC. You know what I'm saying? There was many, many, many times that I've seen Shorty just run up to a fucking BMW.
Okay.
That pulled up. You know what I'm saying?
You know?
With 5% hits.
Shout out to Sharissa, whose boyfriend drove her to the prom and was just like, how can your boyfriend drive? Because none of us are old enough to drive.
Ma'am.
Also, he didn't have a rental car. That was definitely his car. There was rims on that bitch. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean?
I'm like, yo, how your boyfriend got a full ass beard?
And at the time, you're like, damn, his boyfriend's like some super billionaire. This nigga's mad rich. That nigga work at Rite Aid. Stop it.
Bro, I really thought my cousin's boyfriend was rich, and he worked in a pharmacy.
Yeah,
and I thought that nigga was rich, because I'd be like, yo, can you get me this? Can you get me that? And he was just like stealing it from the store, and I was just like, oh, like he's buying me all this shit.
I remember my sister, she was talking to some guy, and every time he saw me, he'd give me candy, but like the big boxes, and I was like, oh, this nigga rich.
This nigga got money.
This nigga was like, here, little nigga, have some Fiji fruit. I was like, wow, wow. He was like, yo, I don't usually do this, but yo, hold these Dunkaroos down. I was like, on consignment?
Yo, for real?
I was working them shits like a pack at lunch. Like, yo, I got 2 for $5. What's up? What's up? Nah. Don't waste your money on that sour power over there. That shit causes cancer. Get these Dunkaroos, my nigga.
You know when you think of niggas, when you're broke and you think of niggas rich, when they take you, like, he took me to McDonald's one time and he was like, yo, just get whatever you want.
Yeah.
I was like, whatever I want? I don't just have to get the number 2?
Let me tell you this. This one guy that was talking to my sister, he took me and my other sister to the Bronx Zoo to impress my sister. Took us to the gift store and was like, get whatever you want.
Go off.
And I started like, as a little kid, I was like, all right. Because at the time, my sister had, shout out P, you know, she had the fatty. So niggas was always like trying to holler at her. So I was like, I'm going to take advantage of this. They had a gold chain in the fucking display case at the Bronx Zoo. It wasn't a real gold chain. Like looking back, it was like a $20 gold chain. But I was like, no, fuck this. Niggas trying to eat. Niggas gonna eat. And I was like, I want that chain. He was like, it's nothing. I was like, oh. Yeah. I was like, hello, big brother. Welcome to the family.
We ballin', big baby.
Yes.
Nigga turned into a Jazzy Fit. Nigga said, home board.
And one time he was visiting my sister, and they went into a room and closed their door. And I'm like, listen, listen, Poppy, I ain't no snitch.
You know the fucking vibes.
But and looking back at this probably should have been a warning sign. He left like his phone. I don't know why he had a phone so early. Actually, I do. He's one of the first people in the Bronx to have the BMW 745i when it came. Yeah, he wasn't a rapper, so you do the math. Yeah. He left a knot of cash on the just on the table. I took $100 out of it. Never questioned. No one ever was like, "Yo, you took $100 from this guy."
He didn't even know.
No one, he didn't even know.
He had no idea.
Fam, for like the next week, I was just buying mad G.I. Joe toys. And my mother was like, where are you getting this money from? I was like, oh, my cousin.
I found it. I traded my lunch for a G.I. Joe.
There was like, my parents didn't know what the fuck was going on. I had like mad brand new toys and shit. And I'm a little kid. I don't even know how shit works. I'm like, how much is this? Here's 20. They're like, here's your change. I was like, oh, yeah. Thank you.
I was testing you.
A mess.
Make sure you're an honorable person.
A mess. Also, one of my sister's booze, every time he would see me, he'd be like, what's up? He would lift my shirt. He'd be like, little nigga, you ain't carrying?
Yo!
And I was like, nah. I was like, watch. I'm gonna have something soon. So shout out to you, Rodney, for ruining me for life. I was like, damn, nigga, he's got me out here lacking. I was like 9.
He from Eat a Wall, you know what I'm saying? Eat a Wall, kill them all, you know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Eat a Wall. Y'all had beef with Baychester. There's like one street in between y'all. Why? Why? Unify. Actually,
join forces.
And then when you talk, now it's different because like you talk to like 18-year-olds and they're like, yeah, no, we cool. And I'm like, I'm talking about the good old days.
Yeah.
The good old days. You know, there was Eastchester, Baychester, Eden Wall, and then, you know, there was Co-op City versus Valley.
Oh, man.
Co-op City versus Valley is like the Wyatts and the...
Wyatts and Earps?
Yes. Co-op City versus Valley is the Wyatts and Earps of the Northeast Bronx.
Oh, my God.
Because you could talk to like an old person, and like they'd be like, oh, that always happens. People like, yo, you rep the Bronx, da da. And I'd be like, where you from? They're like, I'm from Co-op. Or I'm like, oh, y'all still beefing with? Yo, fuck Valley, man.
Them niggas pussy.
They try to jump me in section 2, and I'm like,
listen.
And also, when people in Co-op City talk about their sections, it sounds like in my head, because like I'm probably dyslexic, I think of District 9, that movie about South Africa, and the robot.
It's like, yo, I am Slick Rick. I am ruler of Section 5.
What was the follow-up for that movie, District 9? It was
Cappy.
Cappy.
Yeah.
I am Cappy.
Yeah, we're
Cappy.
trying to make up for Short Circuit, which was extremely very racist.
Short Circuit was super racist.
Super racist.
I was trying to see if we could make Short Circuit 3, but the people that own, that's the problem now. Like
motherfuckers own the rights.
They own the rights, and people that own the rights don't want to do nothing with it. But what could stop people from? We could just make another movie called "We Found a Robot."
Yo,
why? We found a robot and it's alive.
Yo,
wow.
Yo, cop the robot.
Yo,
stupid
dead ass robot.
Done.
Somewhere, some white writer is writing it, and it's like, we're gonna look at the script and it's gonna be like wild stereotypical and like the N-word's used wrong, but you know what? It's gonna be a moneymaker.
He's like, this is my nigga robot.
Yo, what up, my nigga? I am a nigga. I'm wearing boots like a nigga robot. Hey, what's up, my nigga?
What's up, my nigga?
My nigga, let's go to Amy Roots, my nigga.
Yo,
look at this black bitch, nigga.
Yo, look
nigga.
at that bitch. Oh my God.
Let's go watch some nigger movies.
I'm like, what the fuck is this?
I remember this. I used to listen to this. They call it nigger jazz.
This nigga music slaps.
Yo, this nigga eating beans.
Beans, nigga beans. Yo.
My nigga.
Yo.
Listen to them Billie Eilish, my nigga.
And that's when we're in the writer's room like, hey guys. Love the direction.
Yeah.
You know?
Just one note.
We just want you to focus a little more, you know? One note, the less GER, more GA.
Yeah.
Always, you know,
and even that, just like a little sprinkling of it. You know what I'm saying? Just like a little
There's probably no reason why it should be used 4 times in one sentence. But I mean, you know, you're trying.
I mean, you know, you can go for it. You know what I mean? But, well,
for example, this line right here. My nigga, you're on fleek, my nigga. I ain't seen niggas on fleek like this since niggas was on fleek, my nigga. That
could be pared down.
Seems a little redundant.
That could be pared down.
But I love the energy and I love the vision. I see what you're doing. I see what you're building up to. Keep at it.
Keep going.
I love it.
Keep going.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Keep morale high.
Okay.
All right.
That's us. That's literally us in the writer's room.
Instead of reading books, it's just smoking bad weed. It's like input. Yeah, it's fucking lit. Let's watch Rick and Morty.
All our writers like, why can't we say nigger? And Z-Way in heaven was like drinking tea, like, not my problem. No, our writers are not racist. They are allies.
Allies.
If the race war pops off, anyone that works on our staff, you must give them free passage into the neutral zone at the very least. The neutral zone is Hoboken.
If you see them with the tie-dye Desus and Mero hoodie,
yes,
let them pass.
Okay.
Grant them passage.
Black tie-dye, though, not the tie-dye from Urban Outfitters.
Your mic's not on.
Never mind.
It's black tie.
You said black tie-dye?
Yeah, we have the tie-dye from Urban Outfitters. That's...
Oh, not the Urban Outfitters.
Black tie-dye staff only.
The staff. Oh yeah.
Yeah, black tie-dye staff
my
only.
guy Mike, who wore it on like FaceTime with his cousin. The cousin wants the black tie-dye hoodie. Oh, it's secret society.
Yo, that's it, bro.
Secret society, bro.
Yo, you got to get jumped in a Tristan.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, and I picked the second option. My butt still hurts. Okay. There's a reason why they call him Mike Pelosic. No. From what I heard, that's how TV used to be in the 80s. A lot of coke, a lot of sex, a lot of sexual harassment.
Yeah, I've heard things.
I've heard things.
I've heard things.
But there's like different terms, different types of sexual harassment. Because like 80s sexual harassment
was blatant.
Was like a cocained up penguin comes to your office like, show me your titties, bitch.
Let me lift up your feathers.
It's like waddling. I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah, stop
They're like,
warming your egg.
They're like, yeah, he runs CBS. Like, okay, all right.
Yo.
Yeah, put some mackerel in your mouth, bitch.
Yeah. Yo,
quack,
listen.
quack, quack, quack.
Listen,
You ever trans me and Mr. Walrus? Like, let's do it. Yes, at one point, sea animals ran CBS, and that's why they created SeaWorld, which is basically a jail
for animals.
What if all the animals in SeaWorld committed crimes? And that's why they're there. And we're over here like, yo, shut down SeaWorld, and SeaWorld is Rikers. And everyone else in the ocean is like, nah, keep them.
And nobody
locked
knows.
Up. There's a penguin in SeaWorld right now that is Tekashi 6ix9ine that snitched on mad niggas and shit.
Yo. See, you get 3 hots in the pool, nigga, you good.
Yeah, that's
Stop
what
complaining.
Nigga, I get as much fish as I want.
Yo, I'm gonna fuck. I'm good. I'm eating. Yo,
is there protective custody in SeaWorld? Think about it.
PC is SeaWorld.
You're right.
You know what I'm saying?
Shamu.
PC World?
What if Shamu's a snitch? Yo, that would make sense, right? Because all of a sudden it's like, oh, free Shamu. Why Shamu locked up? Shamu's in isolation because that nigga snitched on mad niggas.
He snitched on 2 orcas in his pod.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying? Wow. He snitched on the seal. You know what I'm saying? Because he ate a salmon when he wasn't supposed to.
And I'm not saying he's a snitch, but think about it. Like, they give him fish and he'll do whatever they want him to do. Mm-hmm. All right? They give him fish like, yo, rat on your niggas.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? And then one of the other ones was like, yo, you know what?
Yo, it be your own mammals.
Straight up. Be your own aquatic mammals.
And you know what the other thing is? Because they caught him because he's gang affiliated.
Oh, yeah.
He's a killer whale.
Yeah.
Not a regular whale. A killer whale. He's not Fudgy the whale.
And then the other dude that was in his gang, remember he ate the trainer? He fucked that trainer up. He's like, like tossed him around like a ragdoll and shit. Yo, that was retaliation.
See?
That was like, yo, we let y'all know. It's like the cartels when they behead niggas and like hang them upside down. That
As
was
a reminder.
Let you know.
Wow, Shamu, you out here,
you know
bro.
what I'm saying?
Be your own.
Yo, Shamu. Keep your head. Stay low.
Stay low.
Stay low. You know what I'm saying?
Make a t-shirt that says Shamu snitched on me.
Shamu snitched.
$400.
Yo.
Available right now on Desus.com.
Yo, he's hiding right now. He's in the Mariana Trench. You know
we're not doing enough. We're popping, but we're not popping enough that we're not doing like unnecessary stuff on the side.
Oh yeah.
Like not really stuff that helps our progress, but just stuff we don't need to do. Like when Alicia Keys was like the creative director for BlackBerry.
Why?
What? Why?
What?
So I would like to announce that I am going to be a fashion designer now.
Okay.
And I am coming out with shirts. I basically can't think of a shirt that's not a Virgil idea shirt.
Oh man.
Yeah. I want to work with Peralta Project, and I want to make a shirt that says or Coño.
Yeah. Well, not. Yeah, Coño.
But no, it's like controversial, and like the proceeds go to like the gay men's health crisis.
LGBT.
Yeah, exactly. Because I'm an ally.
Yeah.
Are you just gonna translate Black China's dress from the VMAs?
Why are you making it hot? Why are you making it hot? Okay.
Yo, I completely forgot about that.
I'm making thigh high boots that say Chichimon.
Yo,
no. I'm trying to make some money here.
No, man. Because I'm realizing that we got no camera time because of them fucking dresses.
It was the universe keeping us humble.
Yo.
Also, if we got camera time, we'd probably be in jail. We were fucking flying at the VMAs, my nigga. Remember, like, we stopped at a 7-Eleven to get beer. We got there.
Chugged the beer.
They gave us champagne. Then we got to there, and there was open bar.
And then fucking Big Body Best appears. I don't know. He's like, yo, I fuck with y'all. Yo, hold this down.
Yeah.
50 a weed. Yo.
Mad weed. Also, we had spent all morning smoking weed poolside at the Ritz-Carlton. Fam, we fought with security to get into the party for Viacom marketing.
The security was like, yo, you don't want to go in.
I was like, I want to be, yo, big man.
Yo, big
man, we changed outfits. Let me in this shit.
No, listen.
I think I see Chris Brown.
Yo, look, no, that's Chris Brown, but he's from marketing.
Nah, let me in.
It's not Breezy.
And then we got at the party.
It's
and
Christopher Brown.
We remember we saw the lady with the hors d'oeuvres, and we had to eat it all day, and like we attacked her. We was like, oh my God. I was like, thank you, man, thank you.
Oh my God, you're so good.
I was like, oh my God, Mero, they got sliders. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, we're so hungry.
Yo, to this day, that was the best Korean barbecue chicken I have ever tasted in my life.
But I don't understand why we were so hungry. We ate nachos at the VMAs.
Bro,
I don't remember that shit.
That Cali would be different.
It was different. That was our first time out there. We had the Virgin baby lungs. Because now we out in LA, like the weed don't even hit the same.
No.
We just like, all right, time to go.
Yeah, let's go do this.
Also, what I love about our brand is like people know we're gonna, because we always like, yo, we got that Pacquiao, we smoke wherever. And when we do, people are just like, oh wow, y'all really just be smoking anywhere.
Okay, I respect it.
We have a very lackadaisical take on weed laws.
Yeah.
And then what I realized is like, because we don't have to deal with the responsibility, it's other people. Our security, Victor, our drivers. Like they got to deal with that shit.
Tell Christian we can't smoke a blunt right here.
Shout out to our security, who I just saw the look on his face when I decided I was going to smoke a blunt in downtown Boston. I don't give a shit if it's the middle of the street. I'm smoking this fucking blunt. How do you feel? And his job is to make sure I don't get arrested. So,
like, yo, hand on the glizzy, other hand on the phone, like, yo, listen.
And I'm just smoking, and I'm just like, wow, am I stressing him out? The world will never know.
You just look at him, he's mad tense. He's just like, yo, relax. Yeah. It's just weed, dog.
And he's just like, no, smoke your thing. I love when like, because a cop comes over and they talk. They know they language. Yeah. They language. It's gang.
Yeah, he's like, yo, especially when they like current or ex-military, bro. They cops ain't fucking with them. You be like, yo, I served 4 tours.
They're like, how you doing? I'm in Midtown North. They're like, yeah, how you doing? I'm an ex-Green Beret. He's like,
oh shit. Okay, all right.
Thank you for the service.
Thank you. Appreciate you. How do you feel about Colin Kaepernick?
Yo, did you see that? Oh, you did the PETA video with the animals kneeling?
No.
Yo, PETA, what are you doing?
What the fuck are y'all doing, man?
All right? Animals
Stop
kneeling.
that shit.
Yo.
You're making a mockery of yourself. Yo, PETA's a parody account at this point.
Well, see, that's PETA's like, oh, we save animals, but if PETA kills mad dogs and cats every year, every day.
There's that video of them throwing puppies off a cliff, which I don't know if
it's probably not true, but
we're rocking with it.
But there was a documentary, and it was like I'm not 1,000% sure if it was a PETA rescue shelter, but it was definitely a rescue shelter, and they were showing like they don't cook the dogs, they just put them in like basically a vacuum and just take air away from them, and that's how they die. I mean, it's supposed to be humane, but the thing is, when even the dogs that are going down the hall for the first time, they know what's going to happen, and they're like whimpering, and it's like super hard to watch. And that's why you have, shout out to Sean Casey, you got Rescue Dogs Rock, and all these other animal shelters that are like, yo, if you give us a dog, we're not going to kill it.
There are no kill shelters.
There's no kill shelters. Yeah. But PETA be killing motherfuckers left and right, and they're going to tell you don't enjoy an Egg McMuffin? How dare you?
Wow.
The lies.
I can't have him a griddle, but you can kill little fluffer?
Okay?
Huh? Motherfucker.
And then Peter's gonna be like, why don't you adopt them? And I was like, talk to my landlord. That's why I can't adopt them. Okay? I would love to have 10 chihuahuas in my apartment. But you know what?
Wow.
The man says I can't. Also, I have clothing. It can't be draped in dog hair all the time.
Listen, I have 4 children. All 4 of them think that Brownie is their dog.
My dog.
I would love to have 3 more so I could be like, yo, Brownie belongs to you. You have your own dog.
New York, if I become mayor, everyone gets a house and a dog.
House and dog. I'm in.
Everyone's like, you gonna fix the trains? I was like, no.
Well, what the fuck you want?
Y'all asking for a lot.
I gave you a crib and a fucking man's best friend.
As mayor, I will return Fat Beats to Avenue of Americas. Hip hop will return to New York. Well, there's stuff New York needs. I will make the gay McDonald's by 14th Street a landmark.
That's right.
Okay.
We'll make the cube wild spinnable. We'll lubricate the cube so you can spin it even better.
The cube will be lube. Lube the cube. Lube the cube.
Lube the cube.
They're like, Jesus is neck and neck in the polls with his opponent, and Rudy Giuliani Jr. I was like,
Canal jeans will return on my watch.
Oh my God!
He did it. He did it. Looky.
Oh my God! He did it. Y'all, rest in peace, Canal jeans. Y'all, we love you.
Oh my God.
Yo, that whole strip is.
As long as I am mayor of New York.
That's right.
Baby won't just be all right. Baby will be all good.
All good, baby.
They're like, is he having his election party at the Vice headquarters? I was like, they need money.
You know what? I realized that people in Williamsburg do too much drugs. When I was just like, oh shit, baby's all right. Is like, if you make it an acronym, it's BAR. Mm-hmm. And they were like, oh shit.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, you are, yeah.
Williamsburg is weird because I'm always reading stories about there's Nazi bars. Or like you'll go to a bar and there'll be like white nationalists there, and people's like, I felt so scared. I went to remember the place where we took Lil Nas X, Homestead, out in I guess that's Bushwick or some shit like that. So I go out there, be a shorty, and then we go to some bar around the corner, and that shit was definitely a Nazi bar. But the thing was, I know for a fact. There was not one Nazi in that bar I could not beat the fucking shit out of. So we just in there. And I'm bumping niggas to get drinks and shit. Looking at it, one nigga's holding a balloon or some shit. I don't know what that represents. And I'm just, you know what? I'm a Bronx nigga. I will admit it. You know what I'm saying? You know, BX all day. And as a Bronx nigga, you know, every now and then, while you're drinking, you be at the bar and you be like, I want to fight somebody. You know that feeling. You know it's not right. But Whitney Houston said, it's okay.
It's okay.
Okay?
I never gonna lie to you.
Sometimes the night is going well. Hey, what did DMX say? See a niggas having a good time, gotta ruin it. Okay? Sometimes you be in there, your girl talking to you, and you don't hear it. All you hear is like Charlie Brown and the parents. You're like, we should leave in the Uber.
Like, nah.
And a nigga just say some shit. Like, a nigga don't even, it's not even like something worth fighting over. It's like a nigga be like, yo, Rebel INS wasn't even a good rapper. You be like,
what? Yo, this nigga's fucking bugging.
Yo. Favorite thing is when you out with Shorty and she's like, yo, lower your voice. They're like, no, I know what I said and I said it at that level for a reason.
That nigga's pussy.
Yo. Okay. Yo, fuck you. DJ Honda's album wasn't even that good.
No. Traveling Man is dick. You know what I'm saying? Memory, don't live like people do.
Fuck that.
That nigga big that shit.
Or niggas just trying to fight with the DJ shit. Yo, this pussy using mini disc. She's like, lower your voice.
Yo, you think you're super popular? You trying to grab the mic? DJ's like, yo, chill.
Nothing's better than if you're dating a drunk DJ and he's like, this nigga not even blending right. Oh, wow.
Yo.
Oh, wow. This nigga played the Nicki Minaj part of the song with Trey Songz. Wow. Give it up.
Give it up.
Toy.
Yo. Fucking toy. You fucking toy.
Wow. This nigga doing a 1/4 loop. Wow.
Wow. Okay.
Basic shit.
Oh, wow.
Or even worse, being a DJ, being drunk, and you see a nigga using automated mixing software. Hasan knows what I'm talking about.
Oof.
Your girl be like, calm down. You be like
this nigga using the DJ app.
You be working close to the fucking booth and shit. Like you about to shank this nigga.
Like motherfucker, you know how many cases I carry to this motherfucker?
And that nigga see you, and he be like, oh, okay, nigga, nah, that shit would hit the button like blend.
And just lay back.
You be like, you're like the lies. Also, you could tell what song he's about to blend into before your girl realizes, and you say that shit, and she's like, "This is not impressive. I don't give a shit." You just hear like, da, da. Oh, he's playing Blackberry by Chemical Romance.
Yeah, that's right. And he's about to blend it into this.
Yeah.
Or like when like a song samples an old song, and it's like, bruh.
Wow, they sampled Roxanne. You don't need to put on the red dress. She's like, I'm 18. I don't even know what this means. I'm Billie Eilish. You're Drake. Oh. Should DJs date other DJs? Because then I guess you gotta like practice.
You gotta battle.
You gotta battle
every morning. You gotta battle your girl every morning. It's like
imagine your boo hits me up like, yo, my nigga, did you really take my Serato box?
Wow.
Yo, who took my USB cables?
Yo, you fucked all my cues up, bitch.
Wow. Special Sushi DJ episode.
Yo,
Listen, I'm not even mad you cheated. Did you blow on that nigga's needles?
Uh-huh. Did you? Well, did you delete that whole folder I had? You deleted the folder I had that said Uptown Vibes?
Did you use my slip mat?
You know I was DJing on Dykeman this weekend.
Did you use my nervous record slip mat?
Wow.
It says shoot to kill.
Wow.
Every day.
Every day.
Don't you look no fool. Look without a limit. Walk like a champion. Talk like a champion.
Yo, Mad Lion, please come back. Yo,
is Mad Lion still with us?
Yo, he has to be.
I'm sure Ice got him. I don't know.
Yo, if Mad Lion is not alive, I'm leaving right now. This is a podcast.
What do you think? Mad Lion's first name is Oswald.
Of course. He's Jamaican.
All right, relax. That is how our names are.
I mean, like, you know, Oswald Barrington, you know.
Do you know what? I recently found out because shout out to my father. We have worked on a relationship. We have a father-son relationship. We call each other and talk to each other. He texted me when Kobe died and all this shit. So it's wild. But I recently found out my original name was supposed to be Wilberforce.
Wilberforce.
Yes.
God damn.
How do you spell that?
Wilberforce. WILBERF.
Like force, like FORCE? Or FORS?
Force. FORC.
Wilberforce.
Wilberforce. William Wilberforce.
God damn.
Yes.
I dodged the bullet.
And I was like, wow, that's a terrible name.
Yeah.
And I was like, why would you name me that? He's the person that got rid of slavery in Jamaica.
Oh.
So now you hear that, you're like, oh shit.
Oh shit, damn, I feel terrible.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You're like, oh, your kid's gonna get fucking teased at school. It's like, oh, I'm sorry, your kid's getting teased. Because somebody removed slavery from Jamaica.
Sorry.
I was like, okay.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Well, he abolished the slave trade and abolished slavery itself in the British overseas possession.
That's lit.
So shout out to William Wilberforce.
You know what I'm saying?
And shout out to my current name, which is just based off the master that owned the plantation my family lived in Ireland. Okay, so anyway, we just keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? You know, things just here or there.
You know what I'm saying?
Everyone, like, oh, my family was like, he was so nice. I was like, he owned y'all. Like, what the
fuck?
This ain't family. This ain't Full House, my nigga. All right, there's a reason why TGIF never had a show called Full Plantation. Oh, we live on the Tanner plant. You know what?
Fam.
I'm gonna stop right there. And it's kind of wild.
Oh my god. You know, I touched the bullet. You know what I'm saying? My Dominicans are wild because they'll name themselves names.
You could have just stopped at Dominicans are wild.
Yeah. And then but then just change their name. Like, yo, why would you give yourself such an elaborate multisyllabic name and then just change your name and be like, yo, call me Julio? When your real name is like fucking Eugenio Hurra Tinkity.
Well, the thing is, I mean, you need a lot of dates. You got a lot of passports.
That's true.
A lot of passports,
That's
a lot
true.
of birth certificates.
You know what I'm saying?
How many you got?
I got 2 Dominican ones. I got 2 American ones. I got one from Norway. I don't know how I got that one, but I got the one in the collection. It's mint.
Dominicans are the
Laminated.
only people that when you ask them for birth certificates, they repeat the Tupac verse. They got 7 Mac 11s, about 8 38s, 9 9 10 Mac 10s. The shit's never end.
I'm Canadian, mate. I mean, Australian as well. We out here. You know what I'm saying? I'm a global citizen.
Shout out to Australia. You know what? There's not a lot of hyperbole in the news. Wasn't like Australia on fire was gonna blow, like the whole shit was gonna burn down, and like niggas was rescuing koalas, which
and that was the thing, just the mad sad pictures of burnt koalas and shit.
I'm like, you can just pick up koalas,
and
I'm like, if I just like in my head, I feel like if I grab a koala, he'd be like, get off me, mate.
Did you know something? I didn't know this, but koalas obviously subsist only on eucalyptus leaves.
Yes.
And they get like not high. But like
they get into like a little state. They get woozy off eating eucalyptus.
Like, yo, son.
What if you go to save a koala and it's racist? Racist koala coming to Disney Plus.
Damn. He's like, you trying to say, don't touch me.
Get off me, you colored.
Get off me, mate.
I think the proper term down under is wog.
Wow.
Get off me, you fucking woke. You got motherfucker.
I support Brexit.
Yeah, man. You fucking woke. Don't touch me.
Also, koalas have a really high STD rate for chlamydia.
Yo, because they fuck.
All the koalas listen to this is like, Victor, why you making it hot?
Why you making
Oh my god.
Made half of yourselves.
They're like, they're like, there was a koala and he was like, he had Shorty over, like, yo, let's listen to the Bodega Boys tonight.
Yo, this shit's mad funny, right?
And then Victor said that shit and Shorty was like, Oh, you thought?
Oh, she put her fur back on and shit.
Yo, koala Yesenia, where you going? Like, come on.
Yo, like. Let me tell you something.
That does not look like a koala.
But this is a koala fit, koala.
That does not look like, that look very.
That's Slaughter T-Rex.
No, I know where you go. No, don't take that in the gun.
This nigga got 4 teachers.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen.
Good night, everybody.
Yo, no. Oh, God. Look at. Yo, no.
No, that was definitely a koala.
Because she's high on the eucalyptus, so she's a little slower than you know what I'm saying?
So shit, we ate the eucalyptus. This bodega, you gonna let me beat Ma? Like you let me go raw?
Yeah, you think just because you light up some eucalyptus, I'm gonna let you get in this koala box?
Come on, Ma. Yo, let me go in your Outback.
Yo, you trying to see my blooming onion, nigga?
Yeah.
You gotta come better than that.
Listen, I heard your boyfriend had a knife, but that's not a knife. This is a knife. Let me stick my Foster's can in you.
Oh,
you know
shit. Damn, nigga, that's the Dundee right there.
Yo, let me make your fucking toilet water swirl the opposite way.
Oh, shit. Yo, 100% Dundee. Shout out to the rules. God damn.
Let me give you this STD and it comes back to me like a boom. And there you go. That's all New York residents know about Australia. They're like, we don't even drink Foster's. I was like, yes, you do. Yes, you do. They sell it on the Metro North.
Yes, they do.
Why would they sell it on the Metro North if you guys don't drink it? Huh?
It says made in the USA, but that's a lie. Brewed in Australia.
Good day, mates.
No.
Good day,
Oh, my God.
Well, I mean, you know.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Wow. Also, shout out to Victor wiping that up like it was a towel commercial.
Yo, word. He's like, yo, you only need one swipe.
You know what I've noticed? I've seen a lot of in commercials now. There's a lot of interracial couples in commercials, interracial families. A lot of interracial, and it's not like, yo, we're dating. They're like, we're dating. Look at our fucking interracial kid.
Look at our kids.
Our kid in football.
Look at their soft curls.
He's 7. We've been together a while. Also, this is a new thing.
You know what I seen also?
What you seen?
2 men sharing mozzarella sticks at an Applebee's commercial. How am I supposed to show that to my son?
Fuck that. How
am I supposed to show that to my son?
Fuck that. That's why I only take my kid to Sonic.
That's right.
All right? None of that shit.
Yeah, it's 2 niggas in the car and they sharing a hot dog, but it's different.
It's different. No, listen, I got a hot take. The most depressing commercials on TV are for Dairy Queen.
Oh, yeah.
Because if you watch it carefully, it's always a father. And maybe the kid is in there. The mother's never there.
Never.
And the father always has a very struggle relationship with the child. So he's always like, with the few moments I get with my daughter, you know, we go shoveling and we get chicken fingers. It's like, nigga, do you not have custody?
Damn, dog.
Is Dairy Queen the official sponsor for niggas that don't got custody of their kids?
That's like, yo.
They had one as a father.
Tagline.
There's a father, he's just sitting there. He's like, you know, life is stressful. When I got a break, I get chicken fingers and I get back to my kids. I was like, nigga, you don't live with your kids. nigga, you live in a studio trailer in fucking West Palm Beach.
That's a new tagline, man.
Yeah.
Come for the joint custody, stay for the custard.
Dairy Queen, perfect for visitation. Also, Dairy Queen was like, yo, fuck ice cream. We got chicken now. Like, no.
No, you can't do that.
Nigga.
How you got fried chicken right next to a McFlurry machine? The fuck are y'all doing?
One day Dairy Queen.
What's the temperature control in here?
One day Dairy Queen came to his realization, like, yo, my nigga. Like, they was in the conference room, like, yo, Baskin Robbins got 31 flavors, my nigga. Like,
yo, our whole thing was like, our ice cream don't come out the cup and shit. But now it's like, yo, every shorty on Instagram is thick now.
So like, Baskin Robbins was running the corner, and then Cold Stone came. It was like, nigga, they was like, yo, we got ice cream, and we got coons.
Oof.
Watch.
Cold Stone. I be feeling bad for yo.
Do they still do that? Because the Cold Stones I go to ain't no singing.
Niggas ain't singing the shit.
Like, you tip them, they be like, good looking, my nigga.
Yeah. Yo, I appreciate you, my nigga, for real.
Back when they first opened, they be like, good look. Ooh, wow, ooh, wow. Ooh,
good looking, my nigga.
Wow. Good looking, my nigga. You tipped me and you gave me a quarter. And now I'll make some ice cream for you. Ooh, you like, yo, y'all niggas really gonna sing after every order? I've been waiting here for 45 minutes.
Man, why you chopping my ice cream like it's half a brick of Coke?
When you making ice cream, you put love and devotion inside it, and your name is Joel. Joel. Making some mental bogey for you and your kid.
Yo.
He's got 4 kids. He's got 4
Yo, did you finish the first one yet? Oh shit! Yo, we got.
You got a second one. Order number 2.
Oh, shit, goddamn. Bro, you know what? I'm going to just take the shit that's in the fridge already.
Pistachio.
Nah, it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. You can stop.
When you're eating cold strong. I'm like, oh, shit.
I'm lactose intolerant.
Yo, my nigga, you really ordered 4 things? Like,
yeah. And I'm going to eat this actually on my shit.
How
in
you
the
order
chair.
ice cream? You got to do it like a barbershop. Like, go, big man, I'm coming back in 2 hours. You going to be ready for me or not?
You'll be ready? You'll put my name on the list.
I think there's betrayal. There's like betrayal. Like if you ever walk in on your girl having sex with another nigga, but then there's a betrayal of like you tell your barber I'll be back in an hour, and you come there,
disappear,
and the nigga inside the chair was not the nigga that was in the chair when you left.
Ooh,
my God, Ooh. That's why you got trust issues.
Because he thought he thought he
could get it past you.
Yeah, he thought he could finesse you. Because he's like, I just need a quick shapey real quick. You know what I'm saying?
He look around real quick. He's like,
he said an hour, right?
I got you.
Yeah, come on, hurry. And you walk in, it's like, wow.
And he stopped, and you don't. And it gets even worse if you're the guy that snuck in. Now you in the middle.
So like, yo, y'all good?
Yeah, yo. Like, oh shit, I'm the whore.
Start dripping up and shit. Like, yo,
I'm the whore. I'm the whore. Oh my God.
You homewrecker! You bitch! It says this to the cat meme, like the one like screaming at you, like he's my barber.
Oh. Sad. That's why you gotta tip your barber a stupid amount at New Year's.
Yep.
So you can flex all year long.
Yep.
Cause I remember like, my old barber, he kicked niggas out during the middle of the cut. Like, nah. My man is here. My man is here.
You gotta bounce.
I'll finish you later. Nigga said there with towels around his neck. Like, what? Wow.
Yo, fam, the alcohol's still burning. What the fuck? You only shave half my head. Shout out to barbers across the world. You know what I'm saying? You're very underappreciated.
There was one barber, like, he tried to holler at my sister and she dissed him. But, like, he still cut my hair, but he was like, fuck my hair up all the time.
On purpose?
I was like, what the fuck?
He was like, what you want? A dark season? Well, I think I'm gonna try something different.
But
you want a Cuban baseball player haircut?
I will say this. He was a struggling rapper. And he didn't like me because I gave him a constructive criticism that he did not appreciate from a younger person.
That's one thing I want to touch on. Every single fucking time a SoundCloud rapper or like an up and coming struggle rapper is like, yo, can y'all listen to this and give me your honest feedback? Be as honest as possible. You don't want motherfuckers to be as honest. You don't want honesty.
They don't want that honesty.
You don't want it
because
I know. Like, yo, this shit slaps.
I simply informed him that his rap name was probably not the best rap name to have in the 90s. Oh, God, please don't say his rap name was The Monster.
The Monster. And
I was like...
debut album, House in Virginia.
I was like, that's not a good name. He was like, why? And I was like, because people going to think of like AIDS. He was like, that's why I did it, because my flow's so ill. And I was like...
Wow, my flow's so sick. They call me the Monster.
Yeah, like you're gonna do that for like 40 tracks, my nigga. Like, and they're gonna have like AIDS-related songs.
Yeah, the album is AIDS. It's some stupid acronym. All internal directional symbolism.
Yeah. Like
what?
Him floating over a white blood cell.
Like, what does that even mean, dog?
Yeah, look up all internal on Google.
I know that social boy. I know what you're talking about. Productions.
There's nothing sad. Listen, you should never shit on anyone's hopes, dreams, and aspirations.
Yeah, never.
But there's some, we all got boys that are SoundCloud rappers, and you know what?
You don't gotta shit on them. You can
It's not internally, but you listen to it, and you're like, God damn, this shit trash. And you be asking questions like, how the manager let this shit out?
How?
What was the studio engineer thinking?
That's my thing.
I
want to that's an episode of Black Mirror. Put that weird little recording device chip in a studio engineer's head and hear their thoughts and shit. Like, damn, this shit is... Why am I wasting my time mastering this shit?
Yeah.
Like, yo. Oh, well, fuck it.
Fuck it. Check's a check. Check is a check. And the person coming back like, yo, you can punch me in? Like, yo, I want to do... Yo, matter of fact, yo, Hasan, like in the beginning... Cause you like that echo shit, so I sound like Tupac.
Yeah,
so I want that.
You know
shit.
What I'm saying?
Yeah. And you know what? And then after that, Could you put in like a sound effect from like Scarface?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like the
Say hello to my little friend. Yeah.
And then the boom, and then the beat drops.
And
you
then,
know what I'm saying?
you know what? Like a fucking electric guitar. So niggas know like I'm kind of alt.
Like, I'm with the rock shit. Like, yo, I got an MGK feature, so niggas know.
And I'm going to sing. I'm going to sing. So just like hit me with a little auto-tune.
Like halfway through the song, just flip the beat.
The fucking sound engineer on his
shit.
phone like, yeah, girl, get out of here soon.
Yeah. This nigga wild.
Whack and shit.
This shit's trash, bro.
Oh, yeah. I can hear you, mom. I got you. I'm doing
Yeah.
Got you.
Nah, I got an app on my phone that helps regulate the EQ.
Yeah. Yo, mom,
It's called Twitter.
Yo, mom, send me a photo. What's that shit open? Remember when we was in the studio with G Herbo? Like, niggas was playing that beat, and my man was just my man was just like, he was like smoking
on the phone and shit. Like,
and you know what? I'm not gonna lie. We're not like posse guys. We don't hang with niggas. Yeah. We were becoming posse guys.
Yo, for real.
Because I was starting to like write a rap to that beat.
Like,
I was like, yo, Herbo, let me get on this beat, homie. Yo, be homie, let me spit that real quick, bro.
8 bars real quick at the end. You know what I'm saying?
But you know I'm in Chirac.
You know what I'm saying? You know, keep that gas.
But you know I'm in Chirac.
Keep that gas, never lack.
South side know how to act.
You know what I mean?
Come through the blicky and the sticky and the niggas don't know and the shit is getting tricky. And he was like, yo, chill, bro.
He's like,
just roll up that weed, bro.
This ain't it. This ain't it.
Nah, come on, bro.
Nah.
Yo, big man, let me get a verse. Yo, big man, let me get a verse. Yo.
Ballin' Like I'm Kobe Part 2 is finished.
Come on, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, I keep that tube on me like it's Wiener Circle.
You know what I'm saying?
No, bro. No. Go.
Yo. Also,
you know I'm from the Bronx because I'm in Germantown asking for gyros.
Yo.
Everyone's like, whoa.
What is what?
The fuck is a gyro?
The fuck is what is that?
Oh, sorry, Chicago. Gyros.
Gyros.
Thank you. What was the guy's name on Full House? The Greek guy?
Jesse Stephanopoulos?
Yes.
Papadopoulos. I was gonna say Stephanopoulos.
No, it's Papadopoulos.
Yo.
I really mean it. They what? Doesn't he?
Lenient. Or
What
Zenith.
yogurt company was he repping? Ozos or something?
Who?
John, what's his name?
Oikos?
Oikos, yeah.
Oikos, yeah.
They should have used I really mean it.
What? Yeah.
Yo. Oikos. I really mean it. Fruit at the bottom.
Yo.
You must have forgotten.
Yo, stir it up. Eat a little bit. Get your regulation shit.
Get that shit started. I really mean it. Sadly, we're going to hear I really mean it in like a commercial that does not belong in. It's either going to be a Geico commercial.
It's going to be the new Ozempic jingle.
Or something like, yo.
Oh, I mean it.
It's going to be like, yo.
For real.
They gotta have Cam Carrey gonna be like, yo, dead ass, talk to your doctor about this. This might cause your pussy to bleed.
Yo.
Respiratory issues, you know what I'm saying? Whatever, you know, it's the gang.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Yo, first and foremost, you know what I'm saying? Make sure to ask your doctor if your heart is healthy enough for sex. You feel me? My shit definitely is. I be hitting the bottom. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, I be piping these.
You know what I mean?
bitches.
Get your wet wipes. Hop on, hop off, lollipop off. You know what I'm saying? I know it's right, but here come the hot sauce. Cialis, y'all, peace. Yo, like what? I was like, what? Like, okay. Shit, he's out here.
He's be at the hospital like, yo, Cam sent me. They're like, ma'am, this is not the first one. Yo.
He's like the new Dr. Ruth.
Oh, dear.
Wow. The rollback.
Wow.
Nice.
This
Is that
nigga's
Love
old.
Line? Is that Love Line?
Yo, she was like before Love Line. She was
What
just like,
was that? That's
you
killing me
have to
now.
have sex.
Straight radio? Wait,
She was like on, I think Oprah used to bring her on and shit. Like she was out there,
She was out there, yeah.
Yeah, she was like the first like sex, like
Sex positive.
she was the old lady in the Herbal Essences commercial,
Yeah.
right?
Well, after the fact, but yeah, she wasn't she like the Surgeon General at one point?
Yeah, she was out here doing good things.
Yeah.
I love it.
And this is the barometer of how sucio you are. If you go on an escort site and you see photos, and you're like, I've seen that photo before.
You lying?
But you're like, I saw that photo 4 years ago. You know what it is.
And you like, yo,
But in your head, you're like, yo.
cap.
You're like, you know what? Those are old photos, but this is a legit escort site. What do you do?
How have you aged in these 4 years?
Yeah, I loved your photo in 09. Okay.
Listen, A-Rod in 09 looks a little different than A-Rod in 2020.
Okay. I see in your photo you have like a big box TV back there. How long was it taking?
Shorty's hair's feathered. You're like, yo, hold up.
Is that White Snake behind you?
No.
Oh, shit.
No.
So I guess we gave him 2 hours of that.
Yeah.
We gave him 2 hours of this Cackus. Yeah, you like that Cackus?
Yeah, right in your Iowa.
Yeah, take that in your Iowa.
Get that money shot right in your Iowa.
Yeah. Who's a filthy electoral college, huh? You are. Yeah. Suck on the checks and balance it. You know what?
Yeah.
Jesus nice.
Yeah, check the polls.
Young Chipotle, AK pockets stay fat like cereal. AK pockets stay fat like... Here we go. Yeah. Catch us at the Teen Choice Awards / AVN Awards. I don't know how we're going to mix the two, but you know what?
We're going to make it
happen. No Epstein over here. Somebody that might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rondo. Get a little peri-peri sauce on your chicken. Yeah. And when I say with a Rondo, I mean with a Rondo bird. Mil no visita na vete cuatro in Nueva York.
But a fit bird, mate.
A fit bird, mate. That's the only birds we fuck with, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Where's my peace, bro? Mikhail going off the Juve boss. MC, Lickle, Gunga P. And you know what? Yo, shout out to the makeup artist. We were talking. It's hard to find good Gunga P soup in Manhattan.
Yo.
So if you got Gunga P soup, hit me up.
True team.
And all my white people was like, you can make Gunga P soup in Instant Pot. And I was like, no, you can't.
No, you cannot.
Okay, my parents didn't come here floating on a door from Jamaica with a goat.
And an Instant Pot.
And one Bob Marley vinyl for me to make Gunga P soup in an Instant Pot.
You're supposed to struggle while you make that shit. It makes it taste better.
And my father's gonna text me. He's gonna like, we came in first class on Air Jamaica. The Juve was MC Gunga P. Put up for 40 with your shorty. AK don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you. And if I'm talking to you in the Uber pool, I'm doing what everyone else thinks, and it's thinking, can I murder you? If I wanted to kill you, can I kill you? Because you stopped me from killing you. Is that not what we all think? Is that not our all?
Yeah.
My original +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son. This is Rossi, the Jamaican Jew. Hey, I'm Jamaican and I'm Jewish.
Hey,
there you go.
Great combo.
Okay. Dreidel.
Little curry
Big dreidel. 4 dreidel.
Hey.
Holla bread.
Hey. We're burning in the middle of the street.
There you go. Burning in the middle of the street.
Bundum means like two different things in Jamaica.
Jamaican avocado toast. That's right. I took a regular product, put it on another regular product, and now I'll charge you $21
That's right.
at the Ace Hotel. How you feel? Pay it because you're in LA. You don't want to look broke.
Yeah, you don't even see me squeezing shit out of a tube.
That's what. I'm not even going to read your screenplay. Yeah.
Stupid. Here's some alfalfa.
$5 extra. Young pod that goes to Mufasa. Young charcuterie without the coonery. No. Yeah, that's right. Put some ham on that plate and some cheese, and I'm not going to eat it. It's going to get moist. I'm going to throw it out. You're going to say, why do they waste this every week? And I'll be like, because we can do that. AK Chili Limon, left handed reliever for the Yankees. Get okay. Do you see that Mookie Betts got traded to the Dodgers? I mean, I guess the Yankees run the AL East.
Yeah.
Hate to see it.
Hate to see it. Sox fans.
And then everyone's like, oh my God, Mookie Betts, now he's going to like kill us in the World Series. I was like, okay, let's get there first.
Yeah.
Let's get there first.
Yeah, get there first.
Okay?
Get there first. Enjoy.
Okay. Everyone's like, the Dodgers are going to kill the Yankees. Like, let's relax.
Why don't y'all chill?
Because you know what? People are like, oh, the Dodgers have like better hitting, better pitching. You know what the Yankees got?
27 rings, bro.
I was going to say steroids, but okay. All right. D4 Jones, DJ Mack, and the J Chuck with Stanley Cup. Human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute.
2 times.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I got my Pinot Blurry. I got special Washed FM. Oh. I know Mero knows this.
Oh, yeah.
You have to be a real hip hop.
Yo.
You have to know your hip hop. It also was featured in the Sex and the City
shit.
movie. Here we go. Oh! That's right, a little MC Solar with 2 A's.
MC Solar!
You might know this from any brunch you go to in Brooklyn.
That's right.
You're like, oh.
Yo.
Oh my God, is he French?
Oh.
He's French and he's rapping. Like, I didn't know they could do that.
That's so classy.
Wow. This is different. This is totally different than anything from New York.
Yeah.
I'm better than you because I listen to French rap. DJ, play some Les Nubians. All right.
Excuse me. Les Nubians.
Les Nubians. That was like classy sex. You put that on, and they were like, "Oh, he got taste."
I read that just like reading it, and I was like, "Ooh, yeah." I thought it was a Pinot. I was like, "Yeah."
They knew. Like,
lesbian Nubians.
I was like, "Are they gonna make out with each other?" Like, no, we're just good friends.
Yeah, we're pals.
Damn. The Curry Goat, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hasper, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Moreno. You cannot containo. Shout out to the Container Store. You got the 10 sneaker boxes in one now. You know what I'm saying?
You're listening.
Coming through.
You're listening.
The Moreno can't containo. Young Aaron, the racer provocateur. I like to get shit started. Hendrick Budquest, to my man Hendrick Ludquest. Ooh. Great game the other day against a shitty team, but I mean, we'll take it.
Yeah.
We're Rangers over here. Send us free stuff.
W's.
You know what it is. Nelson Bangdale, the surgeon can't see me. Vladimir Groovin. The human world is melting him out. Mr. Beckton, Ricky Squabby, Greg Popovich, more say with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber.
That's right.
The juice is impressed, but your boy never is. I am the art. Damn it. Done dollar ganoush. No more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova Casanova. We made cents, 5 cents, 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change. Give me big money.
That's right. That's what he want. That's what he need.
The only anthem I still is Dipset.
That's right.
Mr. Sacker, catch me at square one. Top left man says Marv.
Yo.
Trill Rizzuto, holy cow. Mr. Soft Punch, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Soda, and it is me, Sunny D.
That's right.
David German. These expensive, these red bottoms, these bloody shoes. Smokeem, Noah, Andrew Coonan, aka the Junior Energy God Jr. Cause sit down,
sit on it. No wireless charging.
Call me Perco because I got your bitch on freeze and I might kill them while I'm grooming them. All right, the topic of gossip is Sayas. Shout out to the 11791. Listen, I only take peak tickets, no broke boy shit. Okay, Grandpa joking when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket. And also, if you're pregnant, do not clean the kitty litter because you get a toxic virus. Your man, Dead-Eye Jesus, more than the sheriff. Hey. Be a real shame if I don't know.
Some cattle went rustling.
What if one of these chamber pots went missing? Oh, they're used. Ding. Yeah. The shopping at the street with bad breeze like I'm easy. Please leave me that black Asian addict who crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Did you know there's 2 types of soy sauce? There's regular sauce and there's dark soy sauce.
Oh shit.
Dark soy sauce I think has like more sodium in it. But I went with the dark soy sauce because
you know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean? Black History Month.
That's right.
Miss La Marina in a mesh marina will crack your back like an automatic. Go ahead. Miss La Marina, Miss Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. Sorry, I saw La Marina. I got choked up. I was like, yo.
I miss you. We miss
Remember that time at La Marina? It was too hot because the sun was shining directly on us, and everyone had to like go underneath the awnings for the bar, and everyone was like, "This is terrible." It was a bad day to be at La Marina. It was kind of cold,
but it was always a good day to be at La Marina.
It was. When you were young, heartache to heartache, we stood dancing bachata with Dominicans.
$50 bucket of beer.
Like La Marina. She Mass Killer. No one be killer. The Black Zach Morris of Port Morris. Young KPI for my marketing people. It's your boy, Personal Jesus, aka Problematic Bay. Listen, it's not a secret family if you just don't give them money.
Just pretend they don't exist.
A lot of people listening to us is like, oh, way ahead of you, my friend. Way ahead of you.
Yo, we gave y'all 2 hours of this Uncle Cack. You know what I'm saying?
The Cackus.
You know what I'm saying? So enjoy this shit. You know what I'm saying? This boy that came out, aka the Human Durag Clap, aka Donovan McDab, aka Curve Got It, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Niggas might have ran through your girl in high school, aka skirt loader, jump the curb, hit your fucking poodle, keep on moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. I do not. You know what I'm saying? Especially because Peter is a fucking scam. Aka I know fucking baby, I fucking mang, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Aka no need to check the guest list. I am the motherfucking guest list. Yo, don't fucking touch me, yo. If you call me big man one more time, I'm clapping this whole shit. Yo, they shoot this nigga in the fucking Durag flap. Thank you. AKA CC Dab back here, you know what I'm saying? In the basement doing highly concentrated hits of chronicle weed.
Dab,
you know what I'm saying? Hey, AKA James said fat dick, I'll ghost on you, shorty, you know what I'm saying? We still don't know who killed me, but we'll find out one day. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tiger Backwoods, you know what I'm saying? I smoke a 3 gram blunt, then hit you with this 9 iron, nigga. Hold that, pow, you know what I'm saying? AKA get into this shmoney and this smoke. It's your boy, Goldman Schmidt. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Interest rates is going up. You know what I'm saying? AKA got all my kids the Mets for the holidays this year.
All of them.
You know, all of them. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm the motherfucker, the dad of the year. You know what I'm saying?
Dad, they won't let me play with the Mets tonight.
Oh, well, you know what?
Dad, they're playing the Cincinnati Reds. It's my turn.
Yeah, well, your sister, she's...
Dad!
Well, she brought Pete Alonso to show and tell.
Dad, she assessed me this. It's not fair.
Oh, all right. Okay. All right. We're going to let family meeting.
I was like, hey, hi, how you guys doing? I'm sorry, Mero. You left the keys to City Field in the back of your car.
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
about that,
this is a home game tonight?
Yeah. They locked out right now.
Oh, my bad. Can you Victoria, can you message these over? Just messenger them over to thank you.
I didn't mean to start the show.
No, it's all good, man. You know what I'm saying? It's just I'm new to this. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. I'm just getting used to the handle. Yeah. AKA Big Smack Biombo, you know what I'm saying? AKA Diego Maradona, AKA Dick in your baby Motombo. You don't come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. Actually, it doesn't. You know what I'm saying? And I apologize, you know what I'm saying? Because it's a very dated, you know what I'm saying? AKA, we respect your agency. You know what I'm saying? So if you wish to let me enter the pussy, I will gladly oblige. It is your agency, not mine. Thank you. AKA, Bartles antenna so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car. And I don't even care, nigga, because it's an 04 Mini Cooper, nigga.
Fuck that, that's garbage.
Garbage, left that shit on the side of the road, dog. Now watch me get like 2 Mini Coopers in the mail tomorrow. AKA, motherfucking, the Dominican Dundada Duckman Daddy, AKA, swipe my card again, there's definitely money in it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask me how Heather and the kids is doing, you know what I'm saying, and ask for selfies and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? You like your little motherfucking, where are we? Motherfucking Stop and Shop job, huh? Edward, huh? Nigga, put the Goober grape and the fucking Snickers in the shit because I'm smacked. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm here by my motherfucking self, stupid.
Oh, wow. Mero's buying Goober grape.
Yeah.
He got mine.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Shit is mixed up, so I don't even got to do all the work. You know what I'm saying? AKA Romeo Santos.
So smooth.
Tu favorito, mami. So zany. Let me black out. Yo, what happened yesterday? I woke up with Chelsea boots on only. Oh my God. AKA Latinel Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. Wow. That you're broken, say you got fur. You know what I'm saying? So how you feel? You feel stupider than the nigga that sold that Bitcoin for pizza, dumbass.
You
know what I'm saying?
He feels stupid.
He feels super duper stupid.
Super duper stupid.
You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated like Bobby Kraft. You know what I'm saying? AKA Table Shower Boys, we in the building, y'all. You know what I'm saying? AKA Feel the Ass Tyson, I'm gonna explore your cosmos, ma. Your Milky Way. You know what I'm saying? Consensually, of course. You know what I'm saying? With full consent. AKA Lil Snoozy, we're the first nigga to tap out on live. I've been doing it before all these SoundCloud rappers, nigga. I'm an innovator. You know what I'm saying? AKA Final Messi, MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? AKA Zeno Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? Because I gotta fall asleep on this fucking plane. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you.
So what?
To smoke with me.
Where the fuck at?
At Mama Sushi. Okay. You know what I'm saying? My friend, you want come and smoke hookah with me. That's right. You know what I'm saying? AKA, you fools. Ben Barson. I've been plotting all along. 2020 is mine. Forget Trumpito. He's dead weight. He has never constructed anything, as have I. The only thing that he has ever constructed in his pathetic life is a taco bowl. A very meager one at that.
Whoa.
So, this is my announcement of the soft coup that I'm taking over.
The soft coup.
Candy, get the strap. You about to go get Donnie Brasco. You know what I'm saying? AKA motherfucking, I'll open your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Newport 2 for 5 niggas got garbage on the way. My shit ain't stamped. You know what I'm saying? AKA Nino Brown, shut the car down. AKA live from the motherfucking front of a bodega with a food corp name in front of it. It's the East Stream on Stevie B, opening the door for patrons while doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your teeth is fucking and dope sick love. Don't let me lean. You know what I'm saying? Because then I can't open the door for patrons and get their change. You know what I'm saying? AKA I met my friend Cesar. I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's the God. You know what I'm saying? AKA I'm starting to get tired of telling you, mate. It's only 2 rock stars left, mate.
Who are the 2?
It's the Bodega Boys, mate. People talking all this rubbish about these new stars on the scene with the number one, top of the charts. Mate, the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, smoking crack out of a chocolate kick something. The crack has already kicked in, so I don't even know what I'm smoking out of. Yay. AKA Portland, smoking legal. It's Barmelo's Anthony. You know what I'm saying? AKA, dog, if you see me at Target and I am higher than a motherfucking construction ladder standing on a brontosaurus on top of a yarmulke, then approach me like an earth-sign mammal because I may react erratically and I might smash a bottle of good grape on your cranial. You know what I'm saying?
The hell?
So take it easy.
Take it easy.
Yeah. Hey, depends on the clown. Hey, for my first trick, I will go fall asleep in the band and it gets slumped. My man, Mr. Fun Fun, handles all the fun.
All right, kids, I'm gonna play a game. It's called 7 Up. All right, put your heads down, because I'm gonna put 7 inches on. Hey,
Mr. Fun Fun, get back in the van. Let's go. It's still running. Let's go. Whoa. AKA, I sold fake links to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's drinking this fucking soda that I spilled in over the purpose of this fucking podcast.
He did. Mero did not. I would like to apologize.
That's right.
That was a statement.
You know what I'm saying?
Mero spilled the soda the way we spilled tears over kids being locked in cages by the Trump administration.
That's right.
We are allies.
We're allies.
Clap for us.
You know what I'm saying?
Clap for us.
That's for us.
Mero is so brave.
For us.
Mero is brave.
That's right.
Mero's an ally. Mero
brave.
Mero's so brave.
I'm so brave. We're so brave.
That's right.
So the bravery is incredible.
And I would like to officially announce we are endorsing Little Mama.
That's right.
President of the United States. Okay? She's done a lot for just,
public relations.
Public relations.
You know what I'm saying?
I feel like, she could do a lot for the community. She could do a lot for America.
That's right.
People think that, she doesn't know a lot about like facts and history and stuff.
No.
But to quote her, what do you know about her?
Yeah.
What you know about me? What you know about me?
What you know about me?
Okay. Is her lip gloss popping?
Yes, it is popping.
Is her lip gloss popping? Yes.
Yes. It is.
I mean,
And you know what? And she's very humble. Mm-hmm. And she goes and she does pool parties. It's a grassroots movement. Woo! What?
Give it up for President Little Mama.
Ooh. Yes. Hey.
Damn, that was 2011.
God damn.
He said the wild cocoa.
He was still talking shit about the Yankee championship and shit.
Oh, man.
God damn.
These niggas is out. We got to change it from this nigga sticks to these niggas is out.
You know what time it is right now, papi. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, ¿qué es lo que? Guau, llegó Lito tu FIFA, coño, el que tiene la melanza. Lo más rankeado, ahora vengo con rango, el coro activado. Tú sabes que lo que ando con la vaina soba. Vamos acelerado, metiendo tábana. No le tengo miedo a mí mismo. ¡Satanás, coño! Shout out la casa Showtime, shout out Cash App, shout out Hasan y Zen, que pone la fucking nota, shout out Vito Mater, el papi de la Lady, 24 quilates de máquina, esa melena, shout out Desus Bueno, la nota jamaiquina, you know what I'm saying? Que shout out la nena de la bodega, Dai, la máquina eléctrica, y Vicky, que está inválida todavía, pero con la nota más alta que Bianca, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Jubilee, la más dura, go for location de venta ya, shout out mi presidente Pío. El secretario de defensa activo con el cañón, mi hermano. Suelta, avísame que lo suelto. Plata libertad, mi hermano friki. Que descanse para mi hermano sexo. Ya tú sabes que lo que es. Bodega Boys 189.
Sí.
You know what I'm saying? That's what we got the flow, papi.
189. East 189th.
Yeah, that's right,
Bronx.
bro. Yeah.
Apparently, while we were recording this, Meek Mill and Nicki Minaj are like fighting online.
Oh, wow.
About like, she said he beat up his sister and her. And then he was like, yo, your husband's a rapist and other stuff. And you know what?
Wow.
We don't even care.
Wow.
You know, the thing is, it's one of those couples, just like, yeah, they always in the sun.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Listen.
If when you go to dinner parties, you are the couple that's referred to as Bobby and Whitney.
Oof. You know the vibes.
Can't do it, bro.
You know the fucking vibes.
Because listen, I've been there. It's fun for 3 parties.
For a little while.
And then the invites stop coming. Mm-hmm. And you're like, what did we do?
What did we do? What did we do?
But then because you're so fucking drugged out, you're like, it's not what did we do? So what this fucking bitch do?
Fucking bitch.
Bitch.
It's just her fault.
Huh? Because you want to act up in cafeteria?
Yo, this stupid motherfucker, he never dressed under dress code. You know what I'm saying? He's always fucking stupid motherfucker. Always try, yo, let's take an Uber. You gotta tell me you rich.
There's a Lyft house. Okay, I drive for Lyft.
Oh my God.
I deliver pizza.
Oh my God.
Okay? I got my eyebrows cut for you. I love you, baby.
Oh, you did, Poppy. I forgot.
Okay?
Now let's go get our feet done.
We can't go get our feet done because I have to go. It's Saturday night. I have to go. My cousin, she lives alone. I have to go check on her. So I'll see you in the morning.
Why is it your cousin? Your cousin is Greek?
No, she's not Greek. She's also Dominican, but she's adopted. She gets off work at like 4, so I have to go make sure she's all right in her house. She has like a light bulb issue.
All right, so You know what? It's fine. I got low standards, so I'm gonna rock with you.
Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go over the Dream Doll's house and
Let's do
I'll
it.
see you in a bit.
Talk to me nice.
Episode 189. It's your Bodega Boys. We out.